Anything and everything you have done. Now dip.
What's good? We are live from the BDH. What's poppin'? What's good? What's good? How y'all living? The best part is we're supposed to have a surprise. Well, not even a surprise, but supposed to have a subscriber be here to trade live with us today, and he's fucking late. I'm not gonna lie. Like I'm pretty pissed right now. I gave this guy the opportunity to come fucking trade at the BDH, and then he shows up fucking late. I mean, there ain't no excuse. If somebody gave me the opportunity to go trade live at the BDH or something similar, I would be there an hour early, sitting in my car waiting. You know what I mean? Like, I'd be waiting for Patrick Wieland to show up. And that's not even me just talking, you know, like with my ego, but that's literally just the truth. You know, don't waste my fucking time. Don't show up late. You're basically just saying that by you showing up late, you don't value my time. That's all that means. So, already in a butthurt mood, was all excited for today's stream, and then the guy doesn't even show up on time. So, just fucked up. Not to get all butthurt about it, but I don't know. Like I said, if I had the opportunity to do something similar, I would be there on time. I'd be there early. I'd be ready. You know, I'd be ready either way. Ain't fucking showing up late, so. Right now, the Nasdaq down there to the pivot point, 19,362. 362 pivot point down there. We got the VWAP to the upside. We got Trump talking today. Trump is talking today. You know how that goes. Mr. Trumpy Trump, 3 o'clock. There you go, Tyler. Early is on time is late, late is unacceptable. I mean, I've never heard truer words. Never heard truer words right there. So, right now, the Nasdaq dipping down here. We got the, what do they call today? Liberation Day? What's Trump calling today? Liberation Day. I don't know. Where did I put that mic at? That mic somewhere else. This camera's frozen. It's back. Is it over there? What the fuck? It's over here. It's right there on my desk, I guess. Oh, Lord. What's good? What's good? We're back. Another day in the dollar. We're supposed to have a guest here today. Supposed to have another day trading guest today, but he ain't here. So, I hope he fucking shows up with I don't know, a bag of money or something to apologize. I think that's the only way that he's going to survive this. He better show up with some fucking some real good excuse. I don't even know what the excuse could be, but it better be good. It better be a real good excuse, boys. You right now. Ooh. And the worst part is now I got to trade on this setup over here, which is not my normal setup. This is the multi-stream setup I had set up to go this morning, and I'm not even really pumped about it, but whatever. Right now, looking at the Nasdaq here. Nasdaq sitting there, that pivot point, 19,390. Big sell-off overnight here from the 600s back down there to the 350s. All that momentum yesterday just dying out here, pulling all the way back down to basically where we closed at yesterday there. So let's see how that plays out here today. 19,360. He overslept. No. I don't think he overslept. I don't fucking know. Either way, just bad form, man. Bad form. I hope he's watching this stream right now, driving in his car or whatever he's doing, so that he can be ready for what he's about to walk into. He's going to be ready for what he's about to walk into here. Right now, we're getting ready for market open. It's almost 9 a.m. today. What are we calling today? What is today? Liberation Day? The liberation of the nation? What's the Trump Liberation Day? Liberation Day. Kind of looking to see if we get back above this 90 area, see if we'll push up there through the 400s again right now. Just kind of, little pullback again, getting stuck there at the 90s, pulling back here. Back to the pivot point there again, 360 pivot point. Rolling off there. Ugh. Right there at that pivot point now, 360 pivot point, holding up there. If we bounce here and we get back above that 390 area, we probably push up here a little bit. Push up here a little bit. ES kind of dipped down, Nasdaq dipped down there. There's a bunch of liquidity up there at the 450 area. About 100 contracts sitting on the book right now. 100 contracts at the 450 area, and then there's 100 contracts down at 325. 325, who's going to win? Who's going to get filled first? 325 or 450? The $1 million question, I guess. This would be maybe if we hold up there. Does it push back up? I don't know if I really even drew that. Maybe I think it had to be like that almost. This is the hourly chart we're looking at right now. Obviously below the VWAP, we've got yesterday's close there, 19,600s. There's a very, seems like a kind of the stigma right now, right? Or the idea here of the markets, or I see a lot of people, the retail, a lot of people talking about the idea that we're going to get a big, major, massive sell-off with the tariff talk today. But I don't know. I feel like whenever everybody's talking about something being bearish or talking about something being bullish, it's normally not how it plays out. I don't know. What do y'all think? Bullish or bearish on the tariff deal? What y'all got? Bullish or bearish? How's the chat feeling about it? You know, I always listen to the chat. Right now, Nasdaq just dipping on down. We got a pivot point on the hourly chart all the way down there at the 19,000. 19,000. Well, I'm not. Yeah, I mean, by the way, I'm not talking about the overnight move. I'm talking about what happens once Trump talks about his tariffs later on today. That's what I'm talking about here. Not really talking about anything else. I know the market has obviously been selling off all night. Val Kilmer. Yeah, we'll take a moment for that. Val Kilmer, I think passed away today. So take a little moment of silence for the Iceman. You know, they say only the good ones die young, so I don't think he was even that. He wasn't that young anyway. He actually, I think, probably what, 60s, 70s? Trades by Slade, would you be late? Trades by Slade, would you show up late? The tariff thing is a distraction. We're taking Greenland at lunchtime. Let's go. You think, I mean, I think Greenland would be a great state of America, you know? Just a big old land of green. Trades by Slade said he would camp out in a tent all night waiting to be live on YouTube. Ruben was on time and he didn't even have a hotel to sleep in. Greenland is ice. No. Greenland is going to be all green once Trump takes it over. It'll be Trump hotels everywhere. Think about it. Greenland, Trump hotels. Ruben left his wife with the idea of possibly getting a divorce to come to the BDH. Kurt said he would bring me breakfast. Damn. It's pretty legit. Bro, have an honorable veteran on. We're never late. All right. Well, good thing is we got a lot more people coming up. We got another guest coming in next week with Jake Trades or Rake Trades. Richie, I think is his actual name. But Jake Trades next week is coming to the BDH to do some trading. Right now, Nasdaq kind of showing some weakness down here to the 360 area. And a lot of stuff going on today with the tariffs, all that fun stuff. Actual news today, I think nothing too crazy. We got a little bit of like news at 10 o'clock, but they're all like uneventful numbers. And then just the big news that President Trump speaking today at 3 o'clock. Power Hour is going to be wild. Power Hour is going to be like FOMC Day. Just absolutely wild. Trump Day. All right, right now, NASDAQ, push it back up here. We got a pivot point there, 360s. We lose that 360 area. Woof. You got the low of day from yesterday down there at the 260s. 360s, low of day at 260s. He's here? Holy fuck. Film that, Jason. Go. Film it. All right. He's fucking here. Oh, no, he's back. No. What is going on? Get him in here. Just open the door. Let's just go. God.
What's up? We made it.
Holy fuck.
Oh my
Oh, this guy. Get on your computer over there. We got trades to do. We got no time to even talk.
Oh my God, I know. I'm so sorry.
This guy. Never seen somebody show up late to the BDH. You can
I
do everything
know.
right over there. If you want to plug your laptop in, or what's your?
No, I think I got battery. I just need Wi-Fi to grab some passwords and
Okay.
log in. Oops,
Yeah.
sorry about the mic.
Will you get him the Wi-Fi and stuff, Ginger?
We're doing it. Oh my God, I'm coming down Dixie and I see a boatyard and roofers, and I'm like getting close to the BDH, and then you just come around, you just see the big BDH on the side of the wall. I'm like, no fucking way.
Can't miss the big cock.
This is crazy. PW. Oh my God.
Live.
brother.
We're live on YouTube right now.
Let's
by the
go.
way, it's happening.
Let's
all right.
go.
All right.
We're doing it. I'm watching the market dump as I'm driving in, and I'm like, let me get in on this. All right, thank you. Nice.
All right. Right now, Nasdaq. While we what's your name again?
Kyle.
Kyle.
Oh my God.
I forgot his name already. Kyle's
We're
late,
here.
so we're not going to give him much of an introduction. We'll see what happens as it goes. Right now, Nasdaq bouncing around there at the 360s. Kyle's going to get ready. You got about
logged in here.
21 minutes here till market opens, and let's see what happens here today. Right now, the Nasdaq sitting down here at this pivot point on the 15-minute chart. If we lose, like I said, that kind of 360 pivot, you've got yesterday's low. Yesterday's low right down there. So, moment of truth for the Bears, the Bulls. Oh,
Looking
man.
pretty bearish today.
Looking pretty bearish?
I think. I don't know. I was watching that break last night. It's going down, but I'm just waiting for the PW setup. I mean, you've taught me everything, so we're just gonna wait for
Oh, God.
wait for that setup. Yeah, I know.
You can't butter me up now. You already showed up late.
I know. Oh my God. All right, looks like we're on here. Yeah, geez, man, it really just dumped down last night. All right, let's see. Wow, the setup is sick, dude. The desk is insane.
It's not bad. Not a bad setup.
Not bad at all. This mouse is super sensitive, but
I
let's
know.
get in here.
It honestly, I don't know why there's. I think you can kind of mess with them, but I don't know. All right, we are getting ready here for market open. We got about 20 minutes right now. We got guest appearance from. I'm trying to think of a good nickname for Mr. Kyle over here.
Late.
Always late, Kyle.
Always late.
He's only been
Kyle.
here once, and he was late the first time. So for now on, just be always late, Kyle.
Yep. Oh man, forever late. But ready to trade. Let's get into
All
it.
right,
I have
all
a
right.
brand new funded account. We're either gonna
Ooh.
blow it up or we're gonna make some money
Who
today.
what you got?
I got the Apex.
Apex?
Use the code PW.
Oh shit! No pressure, chat. No pressure.
No, yeah. We're gonna make some money today or blow it up.
It's the only way that we live around here, baby. People are like, Patrick, why did you never use a stop loss? I'm like, sir, there is no stopping this
Thank
loss.
you so much.
Can I grab a water too when you get a chance? Thank you.
He was busy trying to kill Superman. Give him a break.
Oh my God. Let's go,
We're
chat.
gonna
I
make
know.
some good
Bring it
money
on.
today on
Roast
this
me.
chat.
I know. Roast it. Roast it. Let's go. All right.
Oh man,
Here
that's
we go.
good.
Let's get logged in here.
Everybody, if you want, you just can donate to the chat. All the money that is donated to make fun of Kyle will be
Yes.
used for my addiction to high-end cars and women. So
Oh my God.
he did come in with a suit. He did come with a suit.
Suited up for the BDH.
All right, all right. Let's see if the trading speaks for itself today. He did learn from me, Bull, so that might be a bad thing.
No, we're gonna do.
No, if we both trade with the same exact strategy, then we both get fucked. Fuck. I need an ICT trader here. If there's any ICT traders in the chat that want to come to the BDH, email g@onlypropfirms.com. We need you. I actually could get one more person in here. We got room for one more person.
These Apex passwords are
Always.
crazy.
Luca is gonna fly over from the Czech Republic. That's pretty. PW's greasing the guest mouse. That's actually part of the plan. I put the mouse over there, put a bunch of grease on it, makes it hard to click.
Yeah. This thing is like
Just wait till he's
crazy.
in a profitable trade, and the internet's going to cut out just for him only. It'd be weird. Wait, why does your internet not still work? I don't know. That's weird. Your internet stopped working? Oh, mine works.
All right, there we are. Oh, wow. The chart is open. We are live. We are at the BDH. This is insane. Oh, man. All right, I'm going to try.
If we lose this 350 area, we should try to make new lows here before market open. Got about 17 minutes here till market opens. Right now, the low. What is the stat on? I wonder what the stat is, chat, on the market opening at the lows and then going lower. Is that my dad? Oh, God. My dad's here, everybody.
Oh, no.
Bald and late. Oh, man. Good thing I'm not bald
and
anymore.
late. I know. I had to do my hair this morning. I'm sorry, chat.
Yeah, to shine that fucking thing. I'll get up there and just. Good thing the lighting in here is good. Oh, how long have you been trading for?
Oh, man. Gosh, about 4 years. I actually started trading crypto.
Yeah.
And I was watching you. I found you just streaming live, and I was trading crypto like a degen. And there was a little correlation between the Nasdaq and Bitcoin. Not that much, but at one time. And I would just watch you like every day religiously, probably for the past 4 years, and just, you know, yeah, just long-time subscriber. Watch it every morning, and
it's always scary when someone says they watch me religiously.
well, yeah, it's just like a routine. Like, get up, check the
Well,
charts,
yeah, I mean,
turn on PW.
That is the funny thing, right? Like, I always tell people, like, oh, like, you have 5,000 people watching you. But I'm like, yeah, 5,000 people that every day wake up in the morning and then the first thing they think about is me. You know? Maybe not the first thing, but,
not
you know,
the first thing. But,
they think about me every
second
morning.
or
All
third.
right?
You're top 5, though. Definitely top 5. But, yeah, we'll get up and then, yeah, check the charts. Just stare at the charts all day. Try not to trade overnight. Try to trade from, you know, market open till around 11.
That's the hardest part. People,
yeah.
it's always, you know, like I always talk about, like, oh, it's so nice that you can trade, you know, multiple, like you could trade at night with futures. You could do this at futures at night or during, you know, different hours of the day. But it also can be a very, very large double-edged sword. Easy to kill yourself on those overnight trades that you think are going to be easy.
Yeah.
It's always the ones that you're like, oh, man, this is going to be such an easy trade.
Yeah.
And then you get into it and it goes sideways for like hours or just whatever other weird shit.
Yeah, I was looking at the chop last night and I was watching, just watching it and I was like, yeah, this looks like it's gonna roll over. It could retrace this whole pump up, and it looks like it's doing that. I want to see like a sweep below, like, I mean, 253s. Is that too generous? And then
I mean, that's the 263 is the low of day from yesterday. So
let's see if we can get down there. I'd be interested in seeing what happens with the price down around that area, and if it just gets stuck and rejects, then we could just sweep the lows. I mean, market just lately it's been going down. I mean, we got a little pump up past couple days, but man, this thing could just roll. So
just takes one tweet,
one
person to say something on the internet, and the market just. But also, it can go both ways, though.
Yeah,
it could be a massive squeeze, right? It could be a huge squeeze on the fact that everybody's bearish and everybody's thinking that the market's going to go down.
Always.
Some of the biggest squeezes that I've ever seen or biggest moves in the market are always those days where everybody's bearish.
What does chat say? Let's get the chat. Yeah, let's get the chat poll.
Yeah,
and see if they're gonna go long or short at open, and then we'll.
The problem is the chat's getting better.
Yeah,
I've noticed that the chat is getting better. It used to be you would always just fade the chat, but sometimes the chat is right.
I can't believe I'm here, and I'm not big on chat. You don't see me in there. I'm not like
you're not in there every day
chatting. No, I mean
ICT's watching you right now. Is that don't get scared?
Well, no. We're just gonna trade. I wait for the setups.
What's kind of your break us down? What's your morning routine when you look at the charts?
Oh man, I don't know. Start with a daily. Work your way backwards.
Okay. Start out daily chart.
Try not to get a bias, but whenever I do that and I'm like, oh, this is definitely gonna happen, then the market opens up and just messes. It just goes whatever which way, and probably I'll show the chat and everyone live on how I can catch the perfect entry for the wrong way. You know,
I mean, to be honest, Monday I shorted the exact bottom. If I would have just done the exact opposite, I would have made like $50,000. So
yeah, that's what it feels like for me a lot when I trade. So
this daily candle right now is just sitting down there at that 350 area. Yesterday's low, like I said, 268. I mean, it definitely is looking primed for a drop.
Yeah.
But I wonder the good, like I said earlier, like how often does the market open at the lows and then continue
lower?
You know, like yesterday we took out the lows, then ripped up.
Yeah.
But right now we're sitting at the lows. ICT, what's the theory on that, Mr. Market Maker? If we're opening up at the lows, do we continue lower? Do we want to push back up, take out the high from the overnight? Mr. Market Maker.
There's a pivot point there, too, that we're sitting under right now. It's trying to push back up. The next pivot point below that is way down at 19,120. That would be insane.
Yeah, 19,120 pivot point. We're right here at this pivot, but that's what I love too about trading the Nasdaq is we sit here right now and we're looking at it like, oh, dude, 19,120.
Yeah,
so far away.
Like 5
and
minutes.
And then an hour from now, it's there, and we're like, fuck.
Should have shorted that open. Could this be that day where we're just like, market opens, we just dump it?
It'll probably be the exact opposite now that me and you were thinking about. Now that we're getting, we're getting excited about it. We're like, yeah, that'd be so sick if it just dropped straight down.
The fastest blow up on a live account ever, live at the BDH.
No. Trust me, I have that record. Don't worry. I definitely have that record. Fastest to blow up.
Been watching you forever, for as long as I can remember watching trading. I mean, like, you are the best YouTuber to do it live. I mean, I didn't take the course. I'm not a channel member. I'm just a loyal.
You're not a fucking channel member?
Dude, I'm a brokey,
man. This fucking guy shows up late, and then he confesses that he doesn't even pay $5 a month.
I did at one point.
God, he's fired.
I can't afford it. I'm broke.
Yeah, we got another ad for you.
Nice.
What's your better color, red or black?
Black. Let's go.
Black.
Let's go with the black.
Let's see how this looks on.
All right, yeah. Cover
on
up
that
this
head,
shiny
maybe cover up that
head.
shiny spot.
Let's go. Now we're in here.
He's ready.
Oh my God.
Who's making trading great again over there?
Let's go. Thank you for the hat. It's an honor to be
that looks
here.
good with that outfit you got on.
Let's get it. Yeah.
You don't have to wear it, by the way. I was just
no. Fuck it. Let's rock
fucking
it.
with you. All right now, I can't believe we got a brokey here live at the BDH.
Brokey in
Say,
the BDH.
hey, all the brokies in the chat.
It's
all
possible.
Hey,
you can make it.
Dream big.
We're doing it.
Dream
We're
big.
Why is there a brokey at the BDH?
Because
nobody knows. He tricked us.
BW is an equal opportunity.
Ginger, why did you not vet this guy? New rule. If you come to the BDH, you have to be a member of the fucking chat.
I have been a member. It's been a rough past couple of months. We're doing it though. We're hanging in there.
Kyle's sitting there trying to think he's like, should I pay $5 membership for Patrick or should I pay my rent this month? Pay their rent.
Definitely pay the rent.
Yeah, no, I've had to make that choice too before. All right, how long have you been trading for?
Like 4 years.
4
years. 4 years off and on. Been watching
trading
you
the prop
for
firms right now.
Yeah, trading prop
trading
firms.
Nasdaq.
I remember when you were living in Hawaii, you were you were in the airport, like rocking a sweatshirt for a company that shall not be named.
Yeah, don't. They shall not be named.
They shall
Top
not be
Step will
named.
not be named.
And so I was like, wow, this looks like like low barrier to entry. I'm gonna try it out. I mean, and I just watched you progress over the years. I mean, exponentially. And I'm like, man, if you can do it, I can do it. And it's not easy. It is not that easy. It is absolutely astounding what you've been able to do. I mean, like, this is insane. This is insane. He's got a cameraman pointing right at me. He's got.
Tomorrow we're gonna have this simulator here, the driving simulator.
Insane.
That's gonna be some next level shit.
No way. I'm a day early before the
day
driving.
late.
Oh,
You're
man.
a day
Yeah,
late
dude.
and 30 minutes late. A day and 30 minutes late.
I'm never late for the market open. But I mean, I would not be surprised if this thing just like fakes us out, pumps up, gets everybody excited, gets all the longs stuck, traps, and then rips lower.
Who keeps stream botting me right now? Shows that we got 13,000 viewers. I know it's not fucking real. Someone thinks they're funny. They think they're funny. They're not funny.
Yeah. No, not really.
It's Kyle's fault. By the way, guys, it is not me. I do not pay for fucking views on the live stream. I don't need to. So whoever's doing it, it's a joke, and we all know it's not real, so just keep doing what you're doing, I guess. Right now, the Nasdaq 350 is trying to lose that 350 area.
Always right before market open.
Right before
too.
market open, always.
The best moves.
Some of the best moves, always.
Yeah. I was looking at this last night, and I was like, man, I should just short it. But I was like, no, I'm going to the BDH tomorrow. I don't want to blow up this account. I want a fresh account. I think I took like one trade. It just broke even. I have like 46 cents. Yeah.
There you go.
We're up.
He's up 46 cents, baby.
We're up on the day. We're
just don't trade,
in
you're
the
green.
BDH.
That's all that matters. Just don't take any more trades.
We got to go big or
oh, God.
Yeah.
Don't talk like that. We're going today. Let's just get some profits. I need some profits
let's get
today.
something
Nice
in
and
the green.
easy. Nice and easy, baby.
Chat's going to roast me for trading micros. I already know it.
Oh, don't worry. They're going to roast you for more than that. It won't just be your
man.
micros that they're going to roast you for.
Oh, man.
Someone said 46 cents. How do you trade half a micro? That's a nano.
This is the epitome of brokey. I'm in here with 46-cent profit on the day. We're green in the BDH.
This is not going good. This guy, I've been watching you live on YouTube for years, Patrick. I can't afford the membership.
Man. I can't afford the chat.
Oh, fuck.
Oh, wow. There it goes. Just breaking the lows right now. Is this the trap that we're looking for?
I hope it's the trap because I can't get short here at open. We got about 5 minutes here till market opens.
Let's get a poll in the chat. Will Kyle blow up or will he make some money today? 90% say blow
Someone says,
up.
watch this, Patrick, for years, only up 46 cents.
I got a payout. No, man.
The fact that you're up 46 cents, is still better than being in the red. Because there's a lot of people that are in the red right now.
Oh, my God.
Oh, my
there it
fucking
goes.
A. There's that move through the fucking 350s.
Yeah, hindsight is 2020. We wanted to take the short earlier up here at 439. I'd be up 1,000, done for the day, ready for Chipotle. And there it goes. Just going without us.
This is the worst.
I'm
this
late.
Is the
Let's
worst.
just jump in. Let's go. Let's get it. No.
All in long right here for the bounce.
Oh, we got to wait for the 15-minute opening range.
Yeah, no. That sucks.
Yeah. Hopefully we don't
how does that always happen? And it was such a nice setup too. We had that rejection there, 360, that pivot point, and then just walked right through there. We had the EMA, I believe, 21 EMA there. Everything was just beautifully lined up. We kind of had that bear flag actually from here, but if you wanted to be a little safer.
BDH song right here. This one rides out.
Which one?
This one.
This one right now.
Yeah. W is in the chat.
Oh, God.
Let's go.
I can't believe this. Well,
now we just wait. The move, it happened without us. Now we just have to wait, and there's another setup. We have plenty of time. Market's not even open yet.
I don't know. I might have to. I give up after that. I give up, chat. All right, so the first setup of the day playing out beautifully here through that 350 level. And right on down there to the 325s.
Can we sweep lower?
Man.
What do we got over here? Let's
just like what?
Yeah. That opening range breaks indicator last night on the overnight move, if you would have just played that, it just went perfectly. Like no heat on the trade if you just would have taken that break, and then all the way down would be sitting in the green. Sometimes those overnight trades have been my best trades of all time. Just not looking at it, not touching it, wake up to $5,000 and then try to trade it and blow it up the next day. Had that happen.
One time I remember back in the day when I was trading with Top Step at XFA account, I put a trade on like 5 contracts overnight, and I didn't even put a stop. I didn't put nothing. And then I woke up in the morning, I got stopped out. But the best part was, at one point I was up like $15,000. It literally like went all the way down and then bounced back, went all the way back to my entry, and then stopped me out. I was like, "Are you fucking kidding me?"
There, yeah.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Yeah. Oh man, that's how it goes.
That's trading, baby.
That's trading. Yeah.
All right, we got about 3 minutes here till market opens. We got a big day of action with everything going on in the world right now. It's the Trump liberation. Is it Liberation Day? Trump tariff announcement. I think
it's Kyle Corbin at the BDH day.
Kyle, late at the BDH, baby. If you're just now tuning in, we got Kyle here. He's a fellow Brokey chat member.
Yep.
I would say he's a fellow BDH member, but I think he just living in the Brokey chat.
Just a loyal fan of PW. Just a huge fan. Yeah.
All right. As we get ready for open, just sitting back here waiting and watching. A little pushback up off that 325 level. I think we gotta take out yesterday's low. It's just the question of, do we push back up? What do we do here?
That's exactly where I would get short, and then it pushes back up, and then just like, I'm like, oh, taking so much heat, get stopped out, and then it might pull down or come back down because I'm not in the trade. But if I try to short these bottoms, I just have a feeling we're gonna rip to the moon. That gap, I have a big gap from overnight, so
don't worry. If you don't short, it's gonna go straight down. But
Yeah.
if you do short, it's gonna go straight up.
Yeah, that's exactly how it feels sometimes. The market is just against you and you alone. It's just you, like, and that's the furthest from the truth. But I mean, it feels like that sometimes. I know everybody's felt that. Like, the market will just stop right on your entry, come back, just tap your entry, and then go back down.
No, my favorite is as soon as you get long, that just turns into resistance.
Yeah.
Like, your entry line is
Right
now,
there.
like, no matter what, the market ain't going through it.
And it will, like, wick up and tap it real quick, get a little bit of profit, and then go right back, and then just, like, chop
it's guaranteed.
right below it.
Guaranteed.
Yeah, and then you add to it, and you're like, all right, let's just split it because it chopped there before, and then that's when it rolls. It's just, oh, man, adding to losers.
30 seconds here till market open right now. We got Kyle.
We
got the man, the myth, the legend, PW. I just introduced myself. You know how I do. And we're getting ready. We're live from the BDH for another day of action. Every day trying to get it. Just trying to get me down. I got to pay for Jason. He's expensive. Look at him over there smiling. He's like, damn it. You better make some money today, Patrick, because if you don't, I'm leaving. You can't afford me. You can't afford me if you're losing. All right, Nasdaq right back up here.
Bouncing.
Good thing Kyle did not get short.
Market open. Yep.
Good job, Kyle.
Bottom.
Good job. We've
Bouncing.
already avoided one blow up of the day, so that's good. We're on a good.
And there it is. So let's see if we can get a push above these levels. And there it is, just dancing around.
360 pivot point, right up there to our 21 EMA for now.
And yeah, so now we wait. Watch paint dry. Market is open. Do we just go long, just full port? Watch this thing squeeze right back up and fill the gap, or I don't know. I think it's got more room to the downside. It's got that support down there. The 250s, man. If it snaps through 250, it's lights out.
Straight down again, 320s.
What do we do, P-dubs? What do we do? It's so weird being here because I can't watch you and see what, you know what I mean? But, like...
Well, I mean, if I'm not talking, we're not doing nothing for now, so let's see.
We're not in a trade. He's really not in a trade,
Yeah,
chat.
no, I'm actually watching.
Yeah.
People think that I'm always just in a trade constantly.
Not telling us.
Yeah. Ah!
No, you never tell us when to enter. Well, you call out the trades miles ahead of time, so...
Oh, man. I paid Kyle to talk good about me, but clearly I didn't pay him enough to show up on time.
I know. I knew it, man. I was just so nervous and excited. I couldn't get a wink of sleep last night.
Oh, fuck.
I mean,
dreaming about me.
it is a dream come true to be here. I remember watching you and just being like, man, I'm gonna trade someday. I can do it. And then, like, now we're here. It's just crazy. I know I didn't make the best first impression, but
All right. Well, you can always, hey, the second impression can always
legendary.
be better than the first sometimes.
let's make some money. That's what we're here to do. Let's call
I mean, I would say now we break through this pivot point, probably retest the 400s.
This is the setup right here. If we get a squeeze up, it's on. Then we just go for it.
Right there at that pivot point, 360s now.
Bouncing off the pivot.
Bouncing there at the pivot.
Yeah, there's
resistance
right
there.
Jinx. I told you I learned everything from you.
I know. Fuck. This is a bad idea.
Oh, yeah. If it can't get through, I mean, if it gets through there, then it's blue skies ahead. But
At least like 400s to kind of test that whole number. But
Wow.
Again, just stuck there at that pivot. Back down 340s.
Oh my God, I want to make a trade so bad. The FOMO is real, chat.
15-minute candle right now. Stuck there. We kind of got this 15-minute candle as well from that like 9:15 candle. I kind of look at those candles, that 9:15 candle sometimes, and see like, are we respecting the range there on that candle? Because if we are, well then, we'll see if that kind of gets that same idea as
we're breaking out.
Kind of a breakout there through that 360 area.
Okay, let's see if we can get a retest of 358. If it comes back and holds that, then maybe we go long for a push-up. But still, like a better...
Nothing wrong with being patient here. Look at it, squeezing back up there.
Let's
380s.
Go. If it was like an eval and trading aggressively, I'd be like 5 cons, let's go. Blow it up or get it. And
all day.
It'd be done right there.
396 area to get through there next.
That was the move.
Inner Circle Trader said 395. I said 396. Who's going to be right? The high of that candle right there, 396.75.
That's the PW.
I think it's going to go through 396. There it is. Look at it. 400s. Ding, ding, ding.
I missed it.
You didn't make 46 cents.
There it is. No.
Oh, God damn it.
Wait for the pullback.
All right, wait for the pullback. We got time. It's only been 4 minutes.
Oh, my God. 4 minutes in the chat.
Yeah.
Four
I can't even last 4 minutes in bed. People worry about 4 minutes. I'm over here trying to just stay alive for 4 minutes.
Wow. And there it goes.
Straight to the moon.
No pullback. This is when I FOMO into it, and then it pulls back. All right, let's just set up some...
Looking at the 1 minute chart right now, we broke through that 396 level.
Jeez.
ICT said 395. I said 396. We went higher. Who's counting? Who's counting?
Wow. 454. It's going straight to 454.
This is the worst.
Man.
Because like you said, it is true though. Because if we were just sitting here trading evals, we 100% would have taken that trade through the 360s. But then it's like you get into the live account and you're all like, I'm gonna play it safe now.
Yeah, I'm a little nervous.
And then we lost your camera somehow. You check that camera. Oh, I think it overheated probably.
Uh-oh.
Oh shit.
I broke it.
The bald-headed guy broke everything.
Oh my God, the market just going straight to the moon. The PW setup going right there, just breaks through.
I closed that before. It's all good. If you leave it all the way open, it'll look better. All right, right now we are sitting back here. We're waiting. We're watching. We're live at the BDH. Right now the Nasdaq going straight to the moon.
Straight to the moon.
So much for that big sell-off today, I guess.
Yeah, so much for that. Like right when I was going to short that bottom, and then there you go.
We should have faded Kyle. I knew it.
Yeah.
We knew it, chat. Everybody said, fade Kyle. People in the chat are like, fade this fucking guy. Look at that fucking haircut. Fade him.
Squeeze right now. Oh, my God.
Oh, my.
Jeez.
Still going.
Louise.
VWAP up there next, 460s.
What? That's all I needed right there. Just come in, wait for market open, go long, make $1,000, get some Chipotle, and be done.
Honestly, though, we probably would have traded that if you weren't late. We would have been more prepared for it. We didn't have any time to get prepared.
Oh, my God. 6 minutes into the day, or 6 minutes in, and that's all we needed right there. That was, there it was. There it was.
Camera still went off again. God damn it.
Boner candle.
Got camera problems.
Jesus.
What is this thing doing? Okay. It's funny how my camera turns off, but not this camera. Or this camera turns off, but not my camera.
Just, oh my God, straight through it. What is going on? From pivot to pivot. Pivot point at 503. Jeez. Wow. BW, I'm so sorry, bro.
Wow. It's going straight to the fucking moon right now.
Wow.
Nasdaq just going straight to the fucking moon. I guess we learned a valuable lesson today. If we open up at the fucking low of the day on the big old red candle down, don't get short. Well, just still going. 350 to 500 now.
Wow. Even if we would have just got long on that first candle.
Still going.
The breakout right there. Just
Up there to that pivot point now, 19,500s.
Wow.
Insane.
And yeah, that's just.
This is painful.
It's like just
the
go
FOMO
long,
is
just
so
go
real
long.
right
I know,
now.
I know. This is the worst. This is my nightmare. This is my nightmare.
Fuck! It just look at it. It just keeps going.
Oh my God! Never again.
JT Irby, did I not say that there was demand down there? JT, I'm about to ban your ass because a little. What do you mean? You did not? Did you not say it? Cool. We don't need. Don't sit here and fucking try to remind us 15 minutes later, bro.
Wow. That was perfect. Straight up. No heat on any trade. Just go long and wow. Beautiful.
All right, 19,500, that pivot point getting tapped.
Sell it. Sell it now.
We're above the VWAP here. We've got yesterday's close, 19,600 up there next.
So we look for, well, are they even going to give us a bull flag? Or just
probably not.
Rip straight up. Keep
just rip.
No entries.
Just rips only.
Wow. This will be a good resistance level, though. Support turns into resistance, and then if it gets rejected here, kind of maybe a pullback to 400s.
Need to build out a little bit of a bull flag above the VWAP there, and then maybe fill that gap. 19,600 is where we closed at yesterday, chat. So
let's scalp a break if it can't. Let's just lose some money real quick.
All right, perfect. Let this pull back here some more. If we get above like 5, we just need a little bit more pullback here. That 470 area would be nice.
Don't want to short this move, but it's hard to get long at the top.
We're definitely not short.
Okay.
We're definitely not short here. I mean, we got plenty of room to the upside, so don't get too freaky here.
Yeah.
First day at the BDH.
Just trying to scalp a move. I might
I mean, I think you're going to get a long scalp here over a short scalp.
So if we, I guess if we break.
Kind of like break through 510, 515 area, try to get pushed to the 550s next. Just need to kind of build out this flag a little bit better.
All right, let's try something here.
Up there to the 520s now.
Wow, there it goes. What to do? What to do?
Getting very tight here, very tight.
Fuck it, I'm going in. Let's get one.
Get in there, Kyle.
Let's fucking
get in there, Kyle.
Let's fucking
Take
go.
me higher, baby. 46 cents is all he has to make.
Chat, fade me because I just bought the top.
Don't say that. Oh, God.
Oh, God, there it goes.
We got to make at least 46 cents here.
Well,
where are you long from?
Long at 518s.
Oh, God.
We're just gonna drop. We're gonna jump in there.
You got to stop here?
Oh my God! No, I'm gonna try to scale in with a shitload of micros all the way back down to the beginning of this.
Oh,
move.
He's trading micros. We're good.
Yeah,
he can scale all the way into the bottom of this move.
We're just gonna stack
no problem.
a bunch of micros all the way down to the bottom because you can't be. Oh my God! Down 200. Let's get it. Woo! Right
there at that pivot point, 19,500 pivot point.
It's probably gonna reverse this whole entire move off that pivot. But
got the VWAP down there at the 76s again.
Yeah, there we go. Perfect entry.
15-minute range is setting up here as well. Here comes the VWAP.
So yeah, we'll just try to scale in a bunch of bunch of pullbacks. And
If we hold the VWAP here, we should push higher. Just need to hold that VWAP.
Gonna get a break below. If it breaks below that, then we get another fill and then back all the way down. Oh, this is beautiful. There's another one. Now we're in 6 at 511. Taking a little bit of heat. Let's just blow this account up, get an eval, go full port.
No. Kyle, I cannot have you on. I'm talking about full porting. I'm gonna kick Kyle off the stream like Top Step kicked that one guy off. No full ports allowed.
No. Never go full port.
Never.
All
right, we're holding the VWAP there.
See if we get a bounce. Hopefully this.
I mean, we're building out this little flag, a little bit of a trap to the upside there, but now if we can just get this momentum back through that pivot point.
Targets would be.
I'll take a long. I like the longs like above like 510 again. 510 again. I'd be looking for this continuation to the upside there. If we can hold the view up here, just basically break through that 510s and then get continuation and try to fill that gap. The dotted line is yesterday's close.
Let's get there. Again, turning my entry into resistance. Oh, there it goes. There's a little.
510 breaking.
There's a little bit.
All right, we're looking for this push straight up here now.
There we go.
Real nice. Here we go. Come on. Get me up there through the 30s. We are long from the 510s.
We got to get gas money back home. We need.
Kyle's got to make at least $5 on this trade.
Yeah.
So he can become a member of the chat finally.
I know. Yeah, come on. Somebody
chat. Help him out.
Yeah.
530 is getting tapped. There we go, chat. There we go.
Let's go.
What a beautiful trade. What a beautiful trade.
Let's go. Let it ride
Nice little $2,000 winner there.
And then it pulls back.
Kyle, when we're in the trade, we don't want to talk bad about the trade.
Okay.
Don't pull the nutty bar. Don't pull the nutty bar.
No.
Don't do it.
No, nothing can go wrong. We're in the BDH.
You're in it. You're in it. Did you make money on that trade?
Yeah, we're still in it.
He's still in it.
We're up $280.
$280?
Let's go.
This guy, he was complaining about being down 46 cents. Now he's up 280 at the BDH.
We're just gonna
How many contracts you got?
6 micros.
Maybe scale a little bit here, like
take
540. You know, nothing wrong with that. Lock in some profit. Put your stop to whatever. Try to get your stop at a good spot. 540s is great. There you go. Take a little bit of profit here.
Right. I know I'm going to put my stop right below this wick, and then it's going to come back, bounce there, give me a little bit of profit. That's where I should be adding. But
I mean, you play how you want to play, but I'm just saying. This guy earlier, we're talking about being up 49 cents.
We'll take one off here. All right. Well, no, they don't want to get it to me.
You got room till 600,
right,
but I'm just saying, nothing wrong with
runner. What did we get? $400. Let's go. And we got a runner on there for another 150.
We're still going here, chat.
Still up there. We'll just leave one micro running. This is why I should just trade full size all the time.
No, don't ever say that again.
Wow. I mean, why didn't we go long at open, dude? What happened?
Kyle, we're long. We took the long for the 510s. We can't go back in time. Let's focus on this right now.
All right, we'll just throw
up to 560s. Take a little bit more profit here. You're long. What's your basis?
The entry is 478.
478 basis. Let's take a little bit of profit. You're almost 100 points, my friend.
I already took 5 off, locked it in.
All right, you got one more to go?
Yeah, just a runner, and it's probably going to get stopped here at 543. Yeah, there it goes. And we're out.
What'd you end up with?
It. We're $411.
This guy, he's up in the funded account, $411.
Yeah.
Come on, chat.
We're done for the day. Let's go get some Chipotle.
Yeah, I mean, we could walk away right now, and it'd be better than most of my days in the last week or so.
No, let's get some more. We're here.
That's my boy. That's my boy, Blue. It ain't over until I blow this fucking account.
Who said fade Kyle?
Fuck Kyle. Who said fade Patrick? If you fade Kyle, you're basically fading me.
Really?
He trades just like me. Fuck.
I know, yes. We bought the pullback. We saw the breakout.
We crushed that fucking trade.
We waited for the bear.
We absolutely fucking crushed that trade.
That's all you need.
I don't care what anyone says.
Yeah, that's the move.
We did it.
With a
you locked in $400 on fucking micros.
That's it. Yeah. Yeah.
Absolutely crushed it.
Yeah, micros have been like, I don't know. It's a gift and the curse because
My girlfriend, she's always like, I try to get my girlfriend to trade micros. She's like, it just doesn't move fast enough.
yeah.
That's what I'm like, what the fuck are you talking about? She's
Well,
like,
when you see you up $5,000 in 5 minutes.
I know, but like just I've been doing this for 8 years now.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah. Don't, yeah. You
the
can't
hardest
just,
thing is trying to like communicate to people like, hey, look, just because I do something does not mean that you should do something. You know, like I have a buddy of mine. He's like, man, I just want to make all this money like you. I'm like, yeah, well, I've been trading for 8 years now, right? Like I've blown up enough accounts to like to feed a small country. But you know, it's like,
yeah.
just got to be honest with yourself. It's not simple. You're not gonna just get rich over fucking night.
Yeah, this is harder than it looks. And hindsight is 20/20. I mean, you look at the charts and it's just like, oh yeah, buy there, sell there, yeah. And then like, when you're in it, until you have money on and you're like, just burning.
I can make money. I can pass evals in one trade all day, every day, no problem, all day, every day. And then you get into the live account, it's a totally different fucking beast because now everything's different.
It is mental. The mental challenge of it, like, it just feels different. And then, yeah, for whatever reason.
Another bull flag setting up here, by the way, chat. I mean, I don't love it, but I mean, this one was mucho better.
Yeah.
We had the VWAP there. We had that pivot point. The funny thing is people in the chat were freaking out because we pulled back, but it's like we pulled back right there at that pivot point. It's almost like we have to. It's like if we didn't pull back there, pushing into that VWAP, pushing into that pivot point, then we were just like, oh, it wouldn't even make sense, you know? Like, it's got
lined
to.
up there. Yeah, everything lined up perfectly. And, but we are pushing up into what is a lot of chop last night.
Yeah, but that baby.
It wants to go right through.
Kyle, baby. The 19,600 area just wants to get touched, boy.
It wants to go straight through. Let's go. Let's get another one. I mean, fuck it, with a micro, like, how can you not? Like, let's just get
famous last words.
Right.
Why would you not? How could you not?
How many times I've just blown up an account with like 2 micros, and it's like, what? Like, how is that possible?
Who cares? Just a micro. 5 minutes later, fuck, I lost everything. Every time.
Oh my God, this is crazy. I just have to like take it in. The Fight Club.
That's the Fight Club.
Yeah.
The Fight Club picture on the wall there, I swear to
here.
God, this guy sent that to me 7 years ago. This guy from New York. I actually met him in New York, and he was like, I want to send you some of my art. So he sent me that picture there.
It's sick.
And I've had it ever since. Like, what's funny is I've lost and thrown away so much shit. Like, I've, like, stuff that's actually worth money. And somehow that picture has stuck with me this whole time. Like, I've moved. I took it to Hawaii with me.
Yeah.
Like, I took that fucking picture to Hawaii because I never thought I was moving back to the mainland. So it's kind of funny that somehow that picture has just survived.
Yeah.
I don't know how.
I remember the story. I remember hearing you talk about it, and then just seeing
it's there. It's like I look at him. I'm like, that's trading is literally. It's like you got the Tyler Durden effect, right?
Yeah.
You have the.
For real.
The smart trader who's like, I'm going to be patient. I'm going to wait for the setups. And then you got the Tyler Durden who's just like, fucking go all in right now, boys. All in right now. Why did you not go all in?
So we are still pushing up. Just one of those grind higher days where as soon as you go along.
19,600. It just has to get touched.
Just dip. Well, we were lucky the first time.
Grab that picture real quick. Can you grab it off the wall there? The chat wants to see it.
He's like the guy on Joe Rogan. What's this guy who does that? Who looks up everything on the internet?
Oh yeah, he's not like that at all. No.
He's like,
don't give him that much credit. we don't ever want to boost the editor's.
You edit?
Head. He's the editor.
Man. Yeah, dude, the videos. Yeah.
All right,
sick,
so
dude.
this is the Tyler Durden.
Yeah.
Picture. One of my YouTube subscribers, back when I had like 1,000 YouTube subscribers, sent me this. And honestly, like I said, it's pretty fucking wild that I've still got it after all this time. So, big thank you. I wonder if I could even find that guy again. I wonder if he still watches. He would probably be impressed that I still have
it. Look him up, find him.
He would probably be impressed that I still have it.
Yeah.
All right, Nasdaq still pushing here.
Yeah, just going
19,600s. What a day.
We're about to get through this level.
What a
if it
day.
breaks through, let's say if it breaks through these highs, we're definitely squeezing up to the 690s.
Well, we got our 15-minute range breakout here now.
Do we?
The LuxAlgo 15-minute range breakout.
Mine's stuck on the overnight, so I have to refresh or something.
We actually,
okay.
You know what was funny is that trade that we took earlier lined up. We were just like, We were like, what, 1 minute before the 15-minute range breakout. 19,600s, 19,640 to the upside there. You got this like overnight weird little high there, 691s. Right now, the Nasdaq just going straight up here since open. If we get a little pullback, we had the cross of the EMA with the VWAP, pretty bullish. So now we want to basically, like, if we could tap into that pivot point one more time.
Yeah, that's
one thing what I love to think about is like, okay, if it pulls back to here, like 530s on this pullback, like, is that enough?
Pulls
Probably
back
not.
to the 530s?
Yeah, like, we're here at 5. It's not enough.
It's gonna get everybody nice and watery for another, like, buy the dip. Like,
Yeah.
and then it's
like
gonna go up a little bit.
Almost like I'd want to see it trap.
I want to see
tap
it
the
trap.
VWAP, trap below that hit that 470 area would be.
It's too late to go long now because there's not a trap. I'd like to see it just, I don't know. There's got to be a trap. Nasdaq, you dirty. Like, it's gotta. I don't know. Screw somebody over before we get a good move. So that's
We got someone in the chat. I cannot even pronounce this guy's fucking name. Ardalana Andre took the 15-minute breakout, made $1.2 thousand. I like when my chat uses the point. Like, yeah, I made 1.2 today. How much you make?
Probably trading with ticks.
I made 2.0 today. 2.0.
We make the trades.
Where would I put my stop? On which? Someone said. Yeah. So what was the last spot that you bought on that micro on that pullback?
The last spot, I think we got the last one like 473. I had them stacked.
Was that like literally the fucking bottom of that move?
Like break low. Yeah, I just kind of had them stacked.
I mean, the bottom of that move was 73.50.
I just
really?
put them.
That's hilarious.
I just had them stacked underneath and then
that's the nice thing. I mean, the nice thing about the micros is you can, like, there are so many times where I get into a trade and I get in, it pulls back, I get stopped out or whatever it is, draw down, fucking.
You have tight stops. You have really, I mean, not tight, but like you can't take heat because you go full size. I mean, you trade minis. Yeah. So a little pullback, but yeah, I mean.
Well, because here's the problem. If you would have got in, where did you you're 18,
I went,
right?
like right at the top. I mean,
518.
The first
so if you would have got in
like
at 518 with a mini, you probably would have blown that account.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
No, it's a great way to look at it. Great way to look at it.
I was taking heat on like $400 on a couple of micros, and I was like, yeah, right.
I haven't traded micros in years. Maybe I should switch over to the micros.
No,
I don't know.
Dude, no. You don't get the BDH trading.
Damn it!
No, man, I'm a broke.
This is the problem. See, the problem is now it's like everybody's like, "Oh, Patrick, now you can't do that." I'll be like, "Hey, I just want to make. I'll be happy if I make $1,000 in a day today. That was my goal, right?
Like get to $9.99, then trade a micro."
No. Right now we're up 2,000, so 1,000 in each of the live funded accounts today. That's all I wanted. This morning I went to the gym, I worked out, and I told myself, I'm like, "Hey, don't be stupid. Just fucking make a quick $1,000 a day, lock it in, and let's get back into it, right?" And you need that like momentum to I think sometimes, like honestly, I've been in like kind of a fucking weird like just drawdown. Like my head is, I've not been in the right place.
No, I've seen it. You've been
last Friday. Brett really fucked me. That whole golden pocket bullshit.
Oh, the fib shit?
Like it really just fucked me.
Yeah, I'm not a fib trader.
He got long.
I get it.
He got long, and I got long, and it was just. To watch that day play out the way that it did, knowing that like if he wasn't here, I would never have gotten long where I got long, because I would never have gotten long there. I just would never have done that. But like he was so confident in his fucking golden pocket bullshit, and at the time the market was kind of playing bouncing. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna take the trade with Brett here, and then it just ruined my whole fucking day. And I've been on Friday was terrible, Monday was terrible, Tuesday was terrible for me.
I was right there with you, man. That day, like you. Chopped up. I blew up a funded account that I had to pay out. I was gonna take the payout, and I was like, no, I just want to get a little bit more, just like a couple more bucks and get a nice even.
You know how many times? How many times I've had a PA account, like 20 PA accounts, one day away from a payout and blown up with
I
Apex.
Can't imagine 20
it's wild.
accounts, like one account. I'm like, and then it gives
me
because
I just trade 20 accounts like I trade one account, to be honest.
But
that's what people are always like, yeah, don't trade so many accounts. I'm like, trust me, it's not the accounts that are the problem.
It's just, I mean, it's one.
Having 100 accounts would not change the difference between me being red or green.
Are we going to get this bull flag? Is it going to break?
We got news here in 3 minutes. I would be patient on this one.
All right, news in 3 minutes.
Yesterday, perfect example. Like I fucked around with that news yesterday and just got, stupid trade. Should have just kind of cut it off before that news came out.
Yeah.
Might be a new rule for me too. It's like if I get into a trade and it's just like I just start right away thinking it's not going to work. Like
just cut it.
Yeah, I just got to get out of it.
I know.
Because like today we were like, yeah, we had that little breakout, that little flag breakout, but we were like, hey, like it's pulling back into the VWAP. Like that's what we expect to happen, right? Like we know like that's normal like action for that bull flag. So
there
that's what we want to see.
Couldn't make new highs. Now it's pulling back.
Yeah.
Now
Waiting for this news to come out.
Oh yeah, news at 3 minutes.
See, now we go to bigger time frame. Look at this picture a little bit different, right? On the bigger time frame, 10-minute chart, we had two big old boner candles to the upside. Yep. We're kind of holding the middle of that 10-minute candle, but ideally, it's just kind of like you kind of want that little dippy dip, a little bit more dippy dip here. 5-minute chart, also kind of looking like, hey, maybe dip back into the middle of that 15-minute range. Yesterday, 15-minute range, we broke to the upside. We then move all the way back. We break to the downside, and then we just fucking ripped.
Rocket.
Like 500 points.
I know. I saw you.
That third move of the day, I'm like, are you kidding me right now? The third move. I don't know how often that happens, but it doesn't happen very often, to be honest.
Only when you try to trade it.
Literally, Monday and Tuesday, those 15-minute range breakout setups, they never happen like that. It never happens like that, but nope.
Yeah.
If I try it,
yeah.
I back tested the whole month of March. Not once did that happen. Not once did the 15-minute range break to the upside, the downside, and then back through another side. Not once an entire fucking month. And then the Tuesday it happened.
Yeah.
What happened to the 15-minute strategy? Nothing happened. We made money today, Jim. What the fuck happened to you? I got zero patience for this bullshit.
Came in with 46 cents and we left with $400.
This guy walked into the BDH earlier late with only 46 cents. He can't even afford the fucking membership. And now he's up $400.
Let's go.
All right, we got news coming out here. 10 o'clock.
There goes. Uh-oh. Pulling back. There's the trap we were looking for. Just
this 5-minute chart. Ugh.
Everybody that was long and had their stop right there just got whipped out, and then their pushes
100% trap there.
Oh man,
trying to break the 15-minute range here once again through that 550 area. I mean, there's the long stepping up.
Yep, everybody that.
I just hate like right after this news comes out because these news candles just get a little fucking little rippy dippy. Let this 2-minute candle play out here a little longer.
10 o'clock news alarm.
19,600 does look very, very doable from here.
Yeah, if we get a break above these highs, then fuck it. Let's go for it.
Fuck it, we go for it, he says.
I'd like to see a break above and confirmation and a pullback, but no, I mean,
she's going.
Gotta risk it. Damn, that break. I should have taken the break right there at the 60s. I don't know.
She should go right up there at the 600s now. I mean, the setup was through the 60s there.
So much resistance. That's overnight resistance, but I don't know, man. I don't know.
You don't like it? You don't like it?
I don't know. It's too late now. It was the entry was down there.
I love it's such a like the story of trading emotions, right? In the morning you see that move, you're like, fuck it, let's just get it all in, Patrick. And then up here you're like, well, no, not now.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
All right, so I just locked in $600 there on that trade from through the 60s.
The 60s.
Up there to the 96s.
The 60 break. That was a good one.
Nice little boner candle to the upside there.
That's the PW setup right there.
It was a little cleaner on the 1-minute chart as well. But we did, like you said, what did we do?
Broke out, pulled back.
We had that little trap.
The little wick trap.
A little wicky wick.
Yeah,
up there in the 600s
there
now.
It goes, squeezing. Let me just jump in here long right at the top for you guys, chat, so we can.
Don't do it.
No. I guess, it's broke out above. If we continue higher, we should expect another little pullback, and then.
God, the market is so good. This is like the days that we live for right here. We love these types of days. It's so, and that's like I talked about the other day with somebody. Is the hardest part of trading is having like back-to-back 2 red days, and then like today, how do you really capitalize off this momentum? It's hard, right? Like I sized down.
Yeah.
I sized down because of the last 3 days of just absolutely getting fucking destroyed. And then today, if I would have traded my normal size, like I'd be very, very green. But instead, I'm only up 2,000. Obviously, in hindsight here, but
it does mess with your head, and it's like,
you know what?
And you just see all that stuff, you're like, all right, let me size down, and then you get a day like this, boom, straight to the moon.
Today was like, oh my God. You know, if I never would have had Friday, Monday, Tuesday, like if I never would have had those days happen, whatever, mentally, like these today, we would have just fucking been sitting here just printing cash.
Yeah. That breakout at the 72s this morning, 372.
Yeah.
Oh, man, just right there. Just full port BDH. Let's go, baby.
The worst part as well is the fucking.
That was the plan. And the plan has been effed up. It's been FUBAR since I woke up this morning, and I'm late.
This guy.
Oh, my God.
Only had 46 cents to his name.
Yeah. 46 cents coming in, walking out with probably less than that. Let's see if I could scale into another trade here. Let's get it. Can we get a pullback to the 40s? And then, you know what? I don't know. I don't like it. I'm out.
What's funny is one thing people don't talk about as well is like today, for example. Today would be very easy to pass evals, right? You pass a bunch of evals today. You're all excited.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow, what happens? Maybe the market chops. Maybe it's shitty.
Blows up.
Right?
Yeah.
And that's like another thing that a lot of people don't talk about with the prop firm space. Like, like on a day like today, you could pass 20 evals. You can have the best trading day of your fucking life. And then tomorrow, the market's exactly the opposite.
Yeah.
And that's where you've now blown up your funded account because I think that also plays into the prop firm game as well. Like if I'm doing the risk to reward on a prop firm, in terms of like running a prop firm, you know, I kind of thinking like, hey, Kyle's gonna make money on a good day, but guess what happens on a bad day? He's gonna blow up real quick.
Yeah, definitely. It's hard enough. I mean, like they don't have to rig it or change anything or anything. It's just like, here you go, like good luck, and it's
that's what my favorite. People are like, yeah, I mean, these prop firms aren't gonna last. I'm like,
doubt. Yeah, they're
for every person on the internet that's posting that they've got a big payout, there's about 10,000 people who have not gotten a big payout.
Yeah.
Most traders at prop firms, I think it's like less than 15% of traders at prop firms will ever get a payout, like ever, even like one payout. So anyone who gets a payout, like congrats to you for doing it.
Yeah. That's a big milestone in trading and the trading journey. Like going through it, I remember freaking out trying to pass combines, and then like you get a combine, then you get your first funded account, you blow it up. You're definitely not getting a payout on your first funded account ever. And if you do, like, congratulations, but it's so hard to do that, and you're going to be so psyched out from it that it's just, it's impossible. So like getting over the hump of just passing a combine is, first, and then
that's
or a combine or an eval, like
that's the trick, right? Like it's kind of like anything in life. Once you do something one time, then you know it's possible, and then it gets easier. Like I have a friend of mine, he couldn't pass an eval to save his life. Now he can pass evals. But now he can't get a payout. And I'm like, look, he actually did just get his first payout. Like, literally just got one this week. And I told him, like, now you got your first payout. So it's like every time you, like, hit that next level, now you, like, you upgrade to that next point in life.
Yeah.
That's trading in a nutshell.
It is, yeah. It's a lot like anything. I mean, anything worth doing is going to be really hard to do. And you're not going to get it the first time, so you just have to try. And you have to, like, I have like an addictive personality. Like I grew up skateboarding.
I think every trader has an addictive personality.
Yeah.
We're all fucking addicted.
You just, I mean,
name me one trader who ain't addicted.
Oh yeah, no, this is.
You have to be you'd have to be a fucking moron to want to be a day trader, like an actual moron.
Shout out to everybody in chat.
Yeah, everybody in the chat, congrats. We're all morons together.
No, it's harder than it looks. Definitely takes screen time. You just have to stick with it, stay at it, listen to PW, don't FOMO.
Someone said if I wasn't a trader, I'd be taking drugs. Well, luckily for you, the Nasdaq can give you a dose every morning.
Yeah. Oh yeah,
that might
will give you the emotional roller coaster. You don't even need drugs. I mean, just like get up $5,000 on a day and then lose it, and you'll be high and low and everything in between.
The day traders are keeping psychologists and therapists in business.
No, but it's just like, I mean, I remember trying to learn how to kickflip, and it's like,
Oof.
that was the trick. You gotta, you know, you're not a skateboarder unless you can kickflip. So, I mean, it took me like probably a year. Like,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
like growing up in upstate New York, it's like only summer for like, or only skatable weather for a few months. So like you get right next to landing a trick, and then it snows. So then you go snowboarding and you come back. But yeah, it took forever to land that kickflip. But once you got it, I mean, like, you got it. I can kickflip any board, anywhere, anytime. Shout out to all the skateboarders in chat. Let's go.
I had a mini ramp in my backyard
No
growing
way.
up. Yeah, we had a mini ramp. My dad built like a full fucking half pipe. My dad was like, he grew up, I guess, obviously he was born in the 60s, so he grew up like through the 70s
Yeah.
and 80s.
Pool
And he was
skating.
big into pool
Yeah.
skating. He lived in Florida, so it was like just fucking pools everywhere. Yeah, I did the whole pool skating thing for a long time. So
That's awesome.
we grew up skateboarding, kind of, you know, mini ramps, and we go to the skate parks and skate the bowls and stuff.
Yeah, I saw
My dad would be sending it on like a fucking 15-foot fucking vert wall, and I'd be like, he'd be like, all right, boys. I'm like, no, I'm good.
What?
I'm good on
Your
that.
dad's skating vert like
Yeah,
that?
yeah, vert, like
That's
full
sick.
vert walls, drop it in.
Yeah, skating vert and skating flat. Like, I grew up skating ledges and, you know, a lot of flat ground, or seeking out flat ground, but and bombing hills, I guess. But yeah, I moved out to California for a little
Ooh.
bit to go skate, like just for skateboarding, to go to Venice and just shred, and didn't do anything but skate, and, you know, lived in a flop house with a bunch of other,
Yeah, yeah.
like, it was, you know, that was the time.
Dude, the downhill skateboarding shit can be gnarly. I remember I
Yeah.
was out in Oregon one time, and we were filming some downhill skateboarding stuff, and I was like, let me try that thing out, and I jumped on one. It wasn't even that gnarly of a hill. Like, it was a pretty mellow hill, but you know,
Yeah.
like, you just start going faster and faster. Like, you're supposed to, like, you know,
Carve,
kind of
yeah.
carve and slow yourself down, but like, it gets to a point where you just can't carve
You
anymore.
can't speed check.
Yeah, and
you're
dude,
like,
I was
no.
fucked. I had to go all the way to the bottom of the hill. I got to the bottom of the hill, and then I just got launched right
Oh,
to the
man.
fucking woods.
Yeah.
No helmet, no pads, just like dumb,
Yeah,
very
when
dumb.
you get going that fast, even
Yeah.
if you try to speed check, you're gonna eat shit. You
Oh,
just
yeah.
gotta ride it out and like take the slam. Like, that's how I was. I grew up snowboarding, and I did this competition. I was like 15, but I was like in the older bracket with like 18-year-old dudes or whatever. Like 3 heats had to go through snowboarding. First one, like, qualified second, third. Last one, we're coming down to the end of the hill. Dude, we're going so fast on the iciest, steepest part of the slope, and then this dude just tries to speed check right before
Oh.
each shit slams. I mean, face plant right before the finish line. I'm telling you, he like skidded up like right, and I just pass him, get the gold like right there. Oh man, but yeah, you can't speed check when you're bombing. All right, the
Nasdaq,
market's
right up there to the
pulling back.
19,600, right there to the gap fill, and then look, right back down here now.
Right back down.
It'd be
yeah.
funny if this turns into like a big old head and shoulders type setup, and we just dump all the way back down to the open.
Do we wait for a lower high and then dump?
The problem is now we got to wait for this kind of like we got the VWAP coming up there, we got the pivot point, we got, you know, just a lot of stuff
Yeah,
coming up here.
I think a pullback is probably more likely to like 460s, maybe lower. Let's just
I don't
jump
even
in
know.
short.
What's it doing?
But yeah, man, it's incredible to be here, sitting at the BDH with PW live. It's real. Everything is real.
It's real.
It's all real, Chad. It's all real.
The car was green screen.
Yeah.
Green screen car.
Oh man, the G-Wagon, dude, is sick. I saw that when I pulled up.
Yeah, I think
was
they're out
like,
there
oh
washing
my
it right
god,
now.
dude, this guy is insane. Yeah.
I think they're out there washing the G-Wagon. If you want, but then start cutting this stuff. You don't have to, like, this is all, we got too much talking.
Yeah, cut that out. Cut that.
Cut it.
Cut that snowboard story out.
No.
Cut that out.
Cut it all. All right, Nasdaq pulling back here. This is just like, we got to be careful. This is like this is kind of like exactly like we just talked about.
Yeah.
This idea of pulling back, right? We dipped below the low of this candle now.
This
And
would
it's
be
like, this is also, if I'm trying to get long, like, this is where I'm trying to get long at. So I want to be getting short where people are taking profit at, if that makes
Yeah.
sense, right? Like, that's why those bear flags play out the way they do and they work, because it's like people buy those little dips, and then when it pushes back up, gets denied, it creates a reason to go lower. Like bear flag, kind of like from earlier. We push back up, we get denied, people are taking profit, they're getting stopped out or whatever their thing is, and
Yeah.
then we get that liquidity go lower. So You don't want to short right into fucking a spot that you know people are also looking to buy.
Yeah, no. That's,
you want to be shorting where people are looking to be fucking getting out of the trade.
You're turning into the liquidity right there. Yeah.
Because there you go. Like if you would have shorted that 500 level, you're fucked. Especially with the VWAP, everything right there. And like I said, this could play out kind of like a head and shoulders type move. If we push back up there 560s and then make that move down.
Yeah, get rejected, make a lower high, and then we can get a dump all the way back down. Could be one of those days where the market just rips up like this and then dumps lower and makes an even lower, like super low, down to where we were talking about, that pivot point. But
some guy in the chat is spamming the chat. If you trade the orb, you should be done. Well, I'm not done until I say I'm done, motherfucker.
There it is, kind of getting stuck there right off the moving average.
That's the benefit of having multiple accounts, baby. We got them all. The good thing right now is nobody can post online today about I'm being red because I'm green. What are they going to post about?
We're green.
I like to give people stuff to talk about, you know?
I'm a brokey from I'm a brokey from Pahokee. No. No,
where are you originally from?
No.
You said New Jersey?
No, New York. Upstate
New
York, Syracuse.
Upstate New York. I went to high school, and my lacrosse coach he was from Syracuse.
No,
then he ended up being a pedophile.
Okay.
No. I mean, questionable.
Great.
It happens.
Great.
That's pretty much. I think I had a few teachers growing up that ended up getting in trouble for something. He wasn't a pedophile. He was I don't know, what do you call it? Somebody who is into I guess that's pedophile. I don't even know. Basically, he was just a little inappropriate. He was a little inappropriate with the girls in the high school, maybe.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, one of those guys. Little creepy. Little. I remember in high school, I would go to class, and there was like he was a TV production teacher, and there was like an office inside the classroom, and he would always like be in the office, and it would always be dark in there, and he'd have like all the girls in there, and I'd be like, and I would go in there and be like, what are y'all doing? He'd like, get out of here. I'm like, what? What's going on? Like, why can't I want to hang out. I want to hang out in the office with all the girls.
Yeah. 25 miles south of Syracuse, a little town called Peterborough.
Ooh, what, Peterville?
Peterborough.
Peterborough.
Yeah, Peterborough. Shout out to Peterborough. Shout out to Swamp Road.
There's always one guy at every school. Oof. I mean, this is kind of playing out.
Yeah.
If we can kind of turn this 550 area, if they turn it into resistance, we lose the VWAP there, then it's probably right back down there.
Are we looking for a short here? If it breaks this, just dump it down, or if it pushes up and gets rejected, then might look for shorts at like 75.
Yeah. I mean, ideally, kind of like if we maybe push like here, get like, and then we get that bear flag type setup, but then it's like you got the VWAP there, you got that pivot point, we got the Trump tariffs today.
I hate shorting Nasdaq though.
You just hate shorting it?
Yeah.
In general?
Yeah.
Damn.
I mean,
you only swing one way. Yeah. I go both ways, baby.
No,
Long and
lately,
short.
Yeah, short's been paying out, but like if I try to short, I always get.
Well, you just got to short where you normally would get long at. Sometimes.
Yeah.
Try that game. Look at the chart and be like, okay, would I normally get just long here, or would I get? What would I normally do? And then do the exact opposite.
Invert.
Sometimes it works.
Yeah.
And other times it doesn't work. The best part is you're like, oh, I'm gonna try to get short right here because I think it might be a long, and then it ends up going up 50 points after you get short.
Yeah, sometimes I've clicked
trying
the wrong
to inverse
button.
yourself.
Yeah, I've just like clicked the wrong button and been like, oh crap, I clicked, and then like immediately up like $100, and you're like, oh, okay, like, and just lose all faith in yourself as like a good trader. You think you got it, and it's like you don't have it at all ever. You click the wrong button and you made money. Like, what? All right, yeah, it's kind of playing out. It's getting stuck up here, and unless we just.
Well, basically, if we break above this other shoulder, like that 580 level, that would be obviously kind of invalidating.
That would be good.
The idea of a head and shoulders move. We did bounce directly off the VWAP there. I mean, that's still 50 points. It's just.
Yeah, that bounce.
I mean, those bounces off the VWAP sometimes can be so sexy, but then it's like, it just doesn't always work out sexy like that, you know?
Yeah.
It's like.
Usually when it's like VWAP is a little bit lower and we've, kind of like popped up and then, well, I guess it's kind of playing out like that, but I don't know. What are we going to do here? Just go along? It's kind
We
of
got
playing
10:15 or so. I think we got plenty of time still here.
Still got time.
Yeah.
I'm happy with the $400, to be honest. I just didn't want to blow up.
You're happy with 400. I'm happy with 2,000, baby.
Yeah.
Just it's nice to see some green sometimes, you know. It's
It
just
is.
nice to see some green on the
Good
chart.
to see some green. First day on the new funded account. Just put some green on the board.
Yeah.
Wow, I kind of wish I would have went long there.
Yeah, but you can't. You can't think like that.
This could
you
just
know?
chop here forever.
It
and
could
it's
chop.
like,
It
okay,
could dump
boom,
right
boom,
back
boom.
down. I
Yeah.
mean, it kind of is what it is.
Just jump into some range trading.
Yeah.
No.
Dom said we're above the VWAP or above the EMAs. Look for longs. Well, hey, we're not denying that.
Yeah, it looks bullish. Everything's pointing up. Trend is your friend.
Not a lot of liquidity to the upside. Looks like mostly just that kind of like look. There's liquidity sitting at the 600s, obviously, but after that, not really much above us. So, yeah, over the 580s, the Head and Shoulders invalidated. Correct.
Yeah. Yeah.
Still getting that Head and Shoulders set up here. It's just like the problem with these setups is like I can't just get short,
Yeah. No.
right? Can't just get short. We gotta get these. We gotta get confirmation.
Yeah.
Need this short to play out. Bang, 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 and then once we get back, if we get, I think the best way to play this would be we get back below the VWAP. We turn the VWAP into resistance.
Yep.
And then
Yeah.
we take
Breakthrough,
the
wick
short
back.
there, but still showing some strength again. We bounced off of the EMA again there on the 1 minute chart.
Still looking good for bulls.
Above that 580 area, like 580 might get a little squeeze going again
Yeah.
for everybody who's sitting down there thinking it's going to be trying to short right here.
Yep. Trying to get this thing to roll over and then
Trying to
it
get it to roll, and then it just rips
Squeeze.
through all their stops.
Yeah.
Royal Loyalty said, I'd be shorting here. Hey,
Go for it.
you go for it, and you let me know how that plays out. I hope it works out for you. People think that I'm like, that's my favorite thing, Kyle, is like, if I say like, oh, I wouldn't short here, people in the chat are like, yeah, but I would. I would short here. I'm like, okay.
Like, don't you
Like,
see it? I told you
It's
so.
not
I
personal.
told
Like,
you so.
it's fine. Like, hey, if you short and you make money, like, I'm happy for you.
Yeah. Go for it. That's
I'm
just
like-
not my setup.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
I'm all for it. Like I'm not against people making money. All right, we're pushing again. Bounce off the 560s.
I was just thinking about going long here, but there's
This is that moment of truth. Harkers went long in the VWAP looking for a move to take out the Asian highs. What was the Asian high? Oh, this little Asian high. Asian high is 695. There's a pivot point, 19,745.
Yeah, that would be a good move up to the
I don't hate it.
95s. Yeah.
I don't hate it.
And that's a good entry off the VWAP down there.
Oof. I'll
But
go back in time. I'll take that entry again, please.
if it gets rejected here and starts moving down and falls through that, it's you're done. Like that's
Well, this is a great trade if you're long from the VWAP because
Yeah.
the rest of the reward's amazing.
yeah.
At this point, you basically just let it ride. I mean,
Yeah.
it's either gonna break, obviously, make a new high through 620, push up there 650s. So the risk reward is 150 points to the upside. And really, with your risk on that is at this point, fuck it.
Don't go chasing waterfalls, chat. Like if this thing breaks out. Oh man.
We
Yeah.
are in Brett Simba's golden butthole. Oh God. Lost and found. Did you do the 15-minute range, PW? I did. We're up $2,000 today. Thanks for asking. I got to let everyone on the internet know that I'm green today. So I know it's crazy. I got people on Twitter who are literally keeping track. They got like the percentages. Like, oh, PW's down 55% this week.
You're a legend,
I'm
bro.
like, wow.
You're a legend.
I
man.
don't even know my own percentages.
Yeah.
Like I don't even know the math alone. I'd be like, how much am I down? I don't know.
Just ask Twitter.
Yeah. Hey Twitter, how much am I down right now?
They know exactly to the penny.
Hey Twitter, update me on my P&L, please.
5,000 retweets if you're red on the day. Like no one cares if you're green. I care. PW. You're an inspiration to us all.
Oh man.
Yeah, I guess just waiting for this to play out. Let's see if we can get a pullback. I mean, the FOMO is real. I want to be in a trade, or I guess we took profit. Well, I guess we probably should have just let that one micro just run all day.
No, you shouldn't.
No, take profit.
No. How the fuck? You know what I mean? Like
It's a micro.
you say you're gonna let it run all day, but like, hey, you locked in $400 bucks.
400, yeah. I think, yeah.
That's the thing is you don't want to sit here and like I do it sometimes, you know, like I'll look at the charts and I'll look at my trades like, oh man, if I would have just held longer, you know. But like when you know what's funny is if I look at Friday and I look at Thursday, or I look at Friday, Monday, and Tuesday, if I would have just taken profit like earlier, then I would not have had red days.
Yeah.
So that's like maybe a good way to look at it.
I have noticed you taking profit a little more often than you usually. I mean, you get really big trades and like you set your targets and you nail them like 90%
There's the breakout of the head and shoulders here.
There's the breakout.
We're squeezing.
I really wanted to get in there. Should we just
probably go right through
this?
600s there next?
Are you in a trade?
Just got long for a quick little scalp here.
All right.
Through the 600s.
Yeah, I guess we break out. I don't know. Kind of. We'll put some orders in. Let's. Kind of want this.
Just a quick little scalp right there. I knew that 600 area would have to break right through.
Yeah, that's.
There we go. The head and shoulders invalidated. Where's the guy that said he was getting short there earlier? This is why you can't just get short.
Yeah.
You can't just get short because it's a head and shoulders. Well, guess what happens? Your head and shoulder now just got invalidated.
A bull flag breakout.
You got a bull flag breakout. And why did we get that boner candle right there, Kyle? Tell him. Tell him, Kyle. Why did it happen?
Oh man, because everybody got short right there.
Everyone got short right there. It's not a coincidence that we just got that boner candle.
Yeah, it just popped that stop loss, and now it's still going. There's probably more stops above here. I still don't like the long too much because I feel like I'll be chasing a waterfall, and don't go chasing waterfalls. Wait for the pullback. Wait for confirmation. There's no.
Yeah, that's great. This is invalidating the head and shoulders. So now it's like wait for that next kind of bull flag setup. If the market's gonna really go higher, guess what? There's gonna be another good setup once we break through the high of day. Yeah. Right? Just realistically, if we break above high of day, we then look for that setup to like pull back and give us another flag.
Yep.
Or this is kind of like if this plays out as a flag right here now.
That could be a lower high, and then if it starts rolling down and rolls over below the 500s, that could be bad for bulls, but I don't know.
We got right there, the 600 is denied, right back down.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Well,
now everybody in the chat's coming back in. Patrick, I told you it was a short.
It's a short. I told you. No. I still don't think it's a short, but I've been wrong before.
I saw it. I knew it. JT said he shorted at 90. Here they come.
Shorted the 90s. Yeah.
Ryan said, if y'all ain't looking at the open interest, then how do you know who's been getting in? I don't fucking know who gets in, who gets out.
No, I don't look at all that crap.
There's a huge seller. I just saw that popped up. Massive seller, 19,612s, 1,000 contracts. What in the fuck?
Yeah.
That ain't good.
Do we roll from here?
Do I think Liberation Day will negatively affect the markets? Liberation Day! It's here. All right, Nasdaq right back down. I don't know. Hey, that's the thing, too, is like, how am I going to predict that somebody just put 1,000 contracts on at 19,612? I don't fucking know.
Yeah.
How am I going to know that? I don't have a crystal ball.
Where's the magic 8 ball? Do you still
I
have
need the
that?
magic 8 ball. I have no fucking idea what I'm doing here.
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh, I saw on Bloomberg they said that stocks are feeling nervous. Whenever they start talking about being nervous, you know it's time for the market to go higher.
Right.
I still think this whole Trump thing, that at some point, I don't know if it's going to happen today, I don't know if it happen tomorrow, but I think at some point, we're going to fucking hit the bottom and the market is going to go absolutely fucking insane. Like
roof.
No one's ever seen before.
That would be incredible.
Like ripping to new highs, going to the moon.
I hope I have a funded account.
It's coming.
Day.
It's just going to happen at some point.
So is this a bear flag? Well, I guess, is it a bear
Well, on the
flag
hourly
sitting
chart right now, we're just obviously clearly sitting there at resistance.
there? Yeah.
We still got that overnight Asian high up there, 696s to the upside there.
I want to see a little pullback here.
They just bounced it again right off that 21 EMA.
Yeah, this thing looks like it's about to run some stops up here.
I mean, she's not dumping.
No, it's not dumping.
She's not dumping. You definitely make more than 46 cents on this trade, Kyle.
Yeah.
Like I said, I think if we
Not
get
even-
above the high of day here, that big seller, the big seller is still there, 19,612s. I think we're gonna take out. They're gonna get filled. It's just too much contracts just sitting there. Watch. Through that 612 area, we're going. Patrick, your friend is good. Bring him again. I'm going to tell him next time, be here at 8 o'clock, the way he'll show up. Be here at 7 a.m., not 8 o'clock. Be perfect.
Man, 1,000 apologies, brother.
Sean said, are you saying the market will go to all-time highs one day? Yeah, Kyle. Or Sean, that's what I'm saying. I predicted it. Put it on the board. Tell everybody. The market's going to go to all-time highs. Don't get smart with me, boy. Joel said, got here late. Oh, everyone's coming in late today. How come our VWAPs are different but same time frame? What are your VWAP settings? I don't know. Same settings as everybody else.
All right, if we get this breakout above
fuck.
607, I guess.
You going?
I guess we're going for it. I don't know. I don't like this tweezer double top.
There's 1,000
bullshit.
contracts just sitting at 12 right now, 612. I don't know if that's just like a big spoof and this thing's going to rip to the fucking moon here. They're trying to load up. I don't know.
Yeah.
But 1,000 contracts just sitting on the book. 1,000.
That's crazy.
That's a lot of contracts.
It's right there, too.
Someone do the math. If the market moved 50 points on 1,000 contracts, how much money do you make? What was that, 200,000? No. 2 million?
Wow. I don't know. Can't even think about that.
See, I can't do the math.
I'm
People think I'm rich and I can do math. I don't fucking know, man. It's a lot of money, man. 1 million?
Can we get another? Is this thing just going to rip higher and go to these 90s? I mean, are we going to get there?
We're just like, it's at that tricky little level here, right there,
Yeah.
that 600.
Stuck
If that
right
seller
here.
wasn't sitting there on the book, I think we'd already be going. I'm watching that seller right now. I got my eye on him. I think it's Kyle. Kyle's got 1,000 contracts short up there.
Yeah.
Little did you all know, Kyle is actually here to just spoof the entire market.
Yeah. Oh,
There she
it
goes.
There it
She took him out.
There it goes. Oh my God, the
Or
FOMO
almost
is
took him
real.
out.
The FOMO is real. That's right where I would have got in, and then pulls back a little bit. Oh my God, buy the top. Let's just buy the absolute top.
Up there to the 19,600s. We took out that, I think we took out that 1,000 seller. Yeah, we took out the 1,000 seller. Or did we? Or
This
not?
is
No,
gonna
he's still there.
go.
They're sitting right below there. They're going to go through there.
Oh, there it goes. Woo,
LOL.
There it is.
LOL, chat.
There it is.
That was too much
And
liquidity.
I just blew up my account. No, I'm just kidding. No.
You scared me.
I'm just kidding, guys.
You fucking
No.
scared me, bro.
No, we're good. We're good. I
Well,
haven't
see,
taken
that-
a trade, but
yeah.
that was the setup. That was
Only
the setup.
233 contracts got traded there, so that was a big spoof order, basically.
It wicked up there. Probably got a lot of people getting in on the longs. I don't know. I'm just kind of being patient. This is not really my
I
setup.
like it. I
and-
mean, hey, you're up $400. Not
Yeah.
you do that enough.
Yeah.
Before you know it, you'll be up at $2,000.
Yeah.
If
I'm
you make
trying.
$400 4 days
Yeah.
in a row, you'll be up 2,000.
We made it pretty quick.
Wait, I
It
don't
was
think you
like
would be actually.
10 minutes into the market, and yeah, I don't know. I'm just not too excited about going long at the top here and then watching. This
I mean, it
thing
is
roll over.
10:33 in the morning,
Yeah, it's.
and we
it's
did
getting
miss out on this entire
huge
move up.
I know.
The FOMO is real. That's the problem
Yeah.
too. Like if me and you would have gotten long at open, we probably would be done by now. We'd
We
have been
would
like, "Fuck
definitely
this!
be
We go into Chipotle early. They're gonna open the doors for us.
Yeah.
We're gonna pull up Chipotle and be like, "Hey, motherfuckers, open up." They're like, "Sir, we're closed." But I don't give a fuck. Open this motherfucking door. All right, that big seller moved up to 37 now. 637. There's 1,000 contracts once again. They're playing with it.
Everybody that was like, "Oh, if it breaks out above that high, I'm gonna get long," and then it just wicks right there, pulls back. I don't know.
Trump's getting short. The whole crypto thing where everyone's like talking about how Trump was like pumping his bags. I mean, as much as
I'm
as
sure
much
he
as I
was.
love Trump,
Yeah.
I'll be honest. Like I 100% think he would. Like I 100% think that Trump would get long on a bunch of crypto and then fucking tweet about it and then make a bunch of money and then sell. 100% he would.
I could see him now just.
No,
staring
I
at
mean I would.
charts.
I mean, let's be honest. We all know he would.
Looking
So
at pivot points. Like, all right, let's do it. Yeah. All right. Well, we got rejected there at the highs. And now we're pulling back.
what do I think is going to happen when the Trump tariff talk happens today? I don't know.
Probably go down.
Samuel Gigi. Is that your fucking name? Samuel Gigi? What the fuck kind of name is Gigi? Coming in the chat asking if I had a win today. I want you to go and just change that last name real quick. Because it's fucking stupid last name.
Oh,
Gigi.
man. I kind of like the short setup here.
Oh, shit.
And I don't like shorting, so maybe I should just stay out of it. Because I always get burned on the shorts for some reason. I don't know. Ain't no money like short money, though, because when you get it right and it just poof, drops like a stone in 2 seconds, that's fun, but I don't know.
I mean, I'll be honest. I think the market moved a lot more than I thought it was going to move today.
Yeah. I was hoping for a little bit of chop, make some consolidation,
Yeah.
get a nice setup, and then take it, but it was like, nope, you're late. We're going without you. The market waits for no man.
Especially not Kyle.
Yeah.
Him and his 46 cents. They're like, fuck you,
Oh, man.
you fucking brokey.
All right, let's go short here.
That's my favorite.
Who's
People will
with
be
me?
like, man, I got stopped out trading. The market makers took my stop.
Yeah.
Trading 2 micros.
On a sim account.
The fucking market makers want that. Like they want that
They
micros.
got me on my
They want you on micros, man.
On my sim account every time. Can't make any money.
Someone just paid 400 fake money. Hit daily drawdown, limit 2, straight days in XFA funded. It's like I wait a whole day to trade and lose it in an hour.
Yeah.
No, yeah, I've been there, done that. That's the worst part about hitting the max loss on the day. Especially if you hit max loss before 10 a.m. Then you got 24 hours to wait to try again.
Yeah. Yeah, that sucks. Blowing up early and then just have to sit there and think about it all day. I could have done this. I should have done that. I should have went for break even. Why did I add more? What was
Yeah.
I thinking? All that stuff. You just beat yourself up.
Someone in the chat said, don't go short here because the VWAP and the EMA there. So, I mean, I got to agree with them, Kyle.
What
I
are
got to
we
agree with
looking
them, Kyle. I know you got a hat that says make trading great again, but, you know. Might be a good idea to
Don't
not.
listen to me, Chav. Fade me of anything. If you want a good entry, I'll tell you what I'm going to do and just do the opposite. I was going to go short here, so you should probably go long. Yeah, the EMA's right there. It's holding up.
The funny part is people in the chat are like, what's his Discord?
No, I'm not. I'm a nobody. I don't have any social media.
It just proves how fucking people would just buy anything. Like if you were like, "Hey guys, my name's Kyle. Yeah, I've been trading for about 15 years now. My Discord costs $50 a month." They'd be like, "Okay, what's the link?" No actual proof. You just tell people that yeah, man, I make all my money.
My lateness and my 46 cents reputation will precede me forever.
46 cent Kyle.
Yeah, 40 cent Kyle.
46 cent Kyle.
There we go. That is about. All right, there we go. It's pulling back a little bit. We got the EMA there. It's thing roll all the way back down. Or do we buy it here? It's just a nice little dip buy. What to do? Can we make 50 cents on this trade?
Oh, he's got FOMO over there. Don't do it. I want you to leave with a green note. I want you to leave with $400 a day.
With a green day. I know. If I try to make any more, I'm going to be like, oh, no. And I'm going to go down 200, try to make it back.
Yeah,
red, blow up. Let's wait. There's still time. We're chopping around here.
Yeah, I got a little bit more time. We'll see what happens here at 10:50.
Oh, man. Time is just flying. Time flies when you're in the BDH.
Especially when you show up an hour late.
Yeah. I know. I really wanted to get a chance to hang out and talk.
Yeah, no. I was like, Ginger told me, she's like, oh, he's so excited. He's going to be here early. He'll be all set up, be ready to go. And then she's like, no, he's not here. I'm like, what?
Yeah, the plans seem to.
I know. It happens sometimes. Waking up in the morning, your alarm doesn't go off on time. It's hard out there.
It is hard to get up in the morning.
All right, Nasdaq again. Little pushback up here. Bouncing right off that EMA again.
Yeah, that was.
I want to say that I talked Kyle out of going short there.
Short entry. What did I say? I'm about to go short. Go long.
I said, don't do it. Don't do it, Kyle.
Entries. I should just.
Don't do it.
Click the other button here.
Like I like to tell people, do as I say, not as I do.
Yeah.
Better plan.
So yeah, where are we at now? Bouncing right back up here. More chop, and then break out through the moon, to the moon.
I can tell that you're a used to be a crypto trader. You say to the moon a lot.
Yeah, to the moon, yeah.
These guys are here just talking about moons.
Moon shot.
Moon!
Diamond hands. Moon.
It's going up to the moon!
Actually, I started off trading crypto right when it was hitting like all-time highs or whatever, and it was a short market, and I had no idea how to trade or do anything. I started trading with KuCoin or Qcoin or whatever it was, and KuCoin, yeah, and then I had no idea about leverage and liquidity, so I like 100x leverage, like $50.
Hell yeah, $100
meme coins,
100 times leverage, baby. Trading cryptocurrency, nothing more fun than that.
It just went instantly, like $500 in like 2 seconds, and I was like, whoa, there's something to this, and then continued to lose all my money trying to figure it out. But
that is normally the path of most cryptocurrency traders, actually.
Yeah, lose everything.
By the way, that big seller is gone now. No big seller. He is officially retired, it looks like. Now I think the Nasdaq will want to go higher here.
That's what I was thinking. Go long, but.
Oh, now you're gonna. No, a minute ago you were gonna go short. Now he's gonna go long.
Yeah, it always looks good when the candles are going green, and it's like, yeah, go long, and then. Yeah, it looks good.
Remember, buyers want to buy low, sellers want to sell high.
Yeah.
Sitting right there at that sitting right there at that 21 EMA. That's just a spot that that people are gonna be trying to buy that dip.
Yep.
There's a million other Kyles in the world, and guess what? They're all like, ooh, look at the 21 EMA. Patrick Wieland told me about that.
Yeah, it did bounce perfectly off that. That is just a great setup.
Don't go shorting into a spot that people are going to try to buy the dip.
Yeah, that did play out perfectly. You saved me on that one.
I think there's just bigger objectives here. Bigger objective being that they want to push this higher.
Yeah, it's getting tight up here. There's got to be some liquidity.
ES is pushing.
Okay.
Nasdaq's pushing. The whole market's just kind of pushing up here after this big move overnight. So. And the thing is, like, everyone in the chat would be like, but Pat, if this does sell down, that's fine, right? Like, it's okay. Like, it doesn't matter. I think it's, like, too many people get so caught up in the idea of, like, trying to predict what the market's going to do every little move. Be like, oh, man. Patrick, did you not know that it was a short? I'm like, well, did you not know that it was a long? Or, you know, it's trade what you see, not what you think's going to happen.
Yeah. Definitely. And I see chop, no good setups right here. Yeah, I'd only be interested if it breaks above these highs or below this, I guess below the 46s, 40s, 50s. If it breaks below all that, then maybe even try to buy a little dip, or I don't know. It's kind of just chopping up.
I had a real good day. Real good day today, chat.
Got some money today.
I like how I feel right now, right? I like that I'm like excited. You know, yesterday I was like ready to go jump off the BDH roof. The problem is I said it's not tall enough. If I jump off the roof, I just fucking break my legs and then I'd be paralyzed.
I'm happy you're having a good day, man.
Thanks,
I'm sorry for
man.
being late. And,
oh, you motherfucker.
Turn out.
I thought about locking the door, to be honest.
I know. I
did think about
he's
it.
not going to fucking let me in.
I'm going to lock
dude.
this motherfucking
like,
door.
He's not going to. He's
I
like,
told
he's
the
already
chat.
live. He's not going to want to let me in. And then I get here and Ginger's like, hold on. And I was like, fuck. I knew it. Oh, man.
All right, both the ES and the NASDAQ just kind of stuck at yesterday's close right now. We do have, I mean, today's like just kind of an unprecedented day because we have the president talking about tariffs and everyone's waiting for that. So I'm very happy just to walk away with a small green day than try to go crazy and
Dump it.
go crazy, you know? But it's funny because I sit here and I'm like, yeah, small green day, but I'm up. I got 20 Apex accounts up $700 a pop. I got my live funded accounts up 2,000, and then I've been messing around with some take profit trader evals as well that were already past the $9,000 profit target. So I like it. I like it from here. I like walking away in this state.
That's a good day.
Yesterday I screamed. Fuck my life a few times, and then I went to Chipotle.
Oh no!
It was not a good. It was not a good Chipotle.
No way, man! You have too.
After you spray "fuck my life" 3 or 4 times in a row, everything after that does not taste good.
Yeah, you're your own worst critic, man. I
know.
think you're.
But you know what's funny is I had a whole talk yesterday with one of my people, and you know they're like, Patrick, at the end of the day, no one fucking cares if you have a red day or a green day because they're gonna tune in because they love it's entertainment, right? People are watching for the entertainment, but I put a lot of pressure on myself because I want to put up big numbers. And it's not because I just want to be greedy. It's just because, like, I know I can. It's just, it's
impossible for you to lose, man.
Yeah, well, I thought I was never going to win ever again, to be honest, at some point. But I'm back.
Yeah, man, you're crushing
That's the saying.
dude.
That's the great saying, right? When you're when you're down, you never think you're going to be up again. And then when you're up, you never think you're going to be down.
Yeah. Got to roll with the punches.
So
this market just barcoding up here.
I think we got to go higher.
Yeah, this thing is just prime.
After I just said don't think. But let's talk about why we have a good thesis of going higher. The chart is pointing in that direction, right? We're above the VWAP. We broke through yesterday's close. We've got EMAs, VWAP, everything down there acting as support. I mean, look at this 5-minute chart right now. Tell me this don't want to break to the upside.
Yeah.
If this thing don't break to the upside, I don't know what would happen. I don't know what's going to happen next, but all I know is if it don't,
I'm trying to protect my 46 cents over here. I don't know, like, if it doesn't break out, but yeah.
All in all the time, Kyle.
All in.
All right, 10:50 is coming up here. We got 4 minutes. I think we got to go higher. It's not, again, I'm not saying thinking.
Wicks.
I'm just saying the chart is telling us that it wants to go higher.
Let's just go for it. Let's jump in here. Oh, man, I just want to throw one on.
Throw one on.
Let's just throw one on.
Throw one
here.
on, Kyle.
Let's just throw one on right at the top. Watch it pull. Hold on. No, wait. There. No, wait. Let me buy the. I'm not buying the top of this shit. No
No.
way. No. I mean, yeah, no way. No
All right,
way.
next time it touches the EMA, let's see what happens.
All right. That's.
You
fair
buy
enough.
one micro, I'll buy one mini.
All right. I don't like
But
it.
I
though,
don't want.
man.
I'm
It's
not
getting
gonna. I'm not
stuck
buying
up
the dip here,
man.
by the way. I'm waiting to see what happens
Yeah,
on
I
this
want
little
to see
pullback.
it trap below here and then give me some momentum. I literally just bought the top right there. If I just would have bought it.
I thought Trump was talking at 3 o'clock. He's talking at 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock.
Just trying to make it out of here alive. Keep some green on the board.
4. Fuck. I thought it was 3 o'clock.
It tapped
PW, you're
into
gonna buy a
EMA.
Cybertruck? No. I don't really like electric cars. Nothing against Tesla. I'm not like a Tesla hater, but I get car sick. You ever get that in an electric car? Whenever I take like an Uber, with the Tesla, I always
Yeah.
get car sick. Because like you don't hear the engine. There's no engine. It's just
Yeah.
like
It's
this
weird,
little
yeah.
weird buzz. Sounds like a dildo, you know? Like
Yeah.
when I drive my cars, it don't sound like no dildo.
Yeah. No.
The Porsche be like you motorboating son of a bitch.
All right, pulling back here. It's happening into the EMA. What do we do? Let's see if we can. I don't know. It's not going up, chat. It's not going up. Could be a dip by here. Pulling back. Oh, there's the entry. I don't know. I just don't like it. Getting stuck here for too long.
I mean, you know what happens after consolidation?
Breakout.
Breakout.
Yeah, the longer it consolidates,
The bigger the move.
the bigger the move.
Question is, do we go
Which
up or
way
down
does
here?
it go? Yeah.
I mean, we just keep putting in higher lows.
Yeah.
It's just, I mean, we just keep bouncing. I think we got to break higher.
It's got to go higher.
We got to go higher.
It's got to go.
Right?
It's got to go there.
We got to. Just
Not
got to go
stopping
higher. I don't know, man. Just got to. Right now, testing the highs once again. 630, 640s to the upside there. If we break through this big old little candle dingle, dingle, bingle, candle bangle.
Man, it looks so good for the longs right here. But
Just got to get right through 1520s there. That little wick at the 15s. Trying to see where that seller not popping up there anymore. I don't see him. Somebody bought 30 contracts at 611, 609, some size getting put on the book. Oh, she's tight.
yeah,
She's
it's
real
getting
tight. Like this thing
really
just stuck.
just
This is the moment of truth right here. We're either gonna just fucking pop straight up boner candle to the moon, or well, we're gonna chop around here some more. But I think boner candle to the moon, boys. Boner candle to the moon, boys.
all right. There it goes, and no wick.
No wicks, just boner
no wicks,
candles.
no wicks. Yeah.
Get the Viagra out
It's
quick.
got to go through here, right? This has got to break out. Pull back to the EMA and then bouncing. There's another pullback. I don't know. I don't know. Oh man, have to go to the bathroom too. I know as soon as I get up.
Go to the bathroom. Go to the bathroom because then you'll go to the moon.
Yeah, I know. That always happens. I'll watch you on chat. I'll get up to go to the bathroom, put a trade on, the market starts moving. All right, let me go real quick. Oh, man, this is going to go. Right when I got to go, too.
Mike. I'll film you walk away, and then I'll scream.
Oh, what is it? Oh.
You've been mic'd up this whole time, bro.
Oh, wow. Oh.
Little did you know.
Cool.
Spy technology. Just been recording all of this in front of 5,000 people live on YouTube.
Cool.
Well, Nasdaq just does
there.
not want to go.
gotta
Go to the bathroom. Go. And then if you hear me screaming, that means something to happen. All right, we're waiting. The best is I posted on Twitter a video of me working out this morning. And the best is like every time I do it, it's just too easy. Like I don't even know why people how they've not caught on yet. But people they're just bad. People just really, really bad at like figuring out when I'm trolling. I posted a video of me doing lat pull downs. And I was literally using like 30 pounds weight. And everyone's commenting like, Patrick, you got to work on your form. Patrick, you need more weight. Like, it's just too easy. It is too easy to troll the internet these days. Because it's just every time, it's always the same fucking morons. Patrick, don't you gotta use more weight. You gotta use more weight.
What happened? We break out. Oh, chopping around some more. I feel like I'm going to slide off this thing. Oh, cool. Well, didn't miss much. Oh, man, this thing, like, I see this setup, and it just looks like it wants to roll over and just snap all the way back down to the 500s. Either it breaks out, rocket ship, boner candle, straight up, or we just, man, if we lose 89. That'd just be another dip buy, but short it.
You shorted?
No.
Oh, God.
I'm looking at it. I'm like, that looks like a short to me. I've seen this set up, and if it can't hold up here, this thing could roll down fast and just come right back down to where we originally bounced for that.
I posted a video of me trading long on the Nasdaq like 2 weeks ago on Instagram, and somebody commented, well, I hope you're still not bullish. Like, yeah, I'm still holding that day trade from 3 weeks ago, bro.
Holding it, yeah.
Still long. I'm still long from like 3 weeks ago.
If we could hold trades overnight, that would be awesome.
Why? You would just blow up more.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
Come on.
Would never stop trading.
That's what my favorite part is. Everybody be like, man, if I could just hold trades overnight, I'd make so much more money. It ain't going to matter.
Yeah.
It ain't going to matter how long you can fucking hold them for. You're going to lose either way.
Get long at like, fucking just hold it forever. Go long and never look back.
Man, if I would have just went back, if I would just still be long from this morning and I held it overnight, I'd fucking make so much money.
Remember when Nasdaq was in the 15s though? I mean, like 15,000, I think is when I first started trading or looking at it.
I started first looking at Nasdaq when it was like moving 50 points a day before COVID.
Yeah.
Like if you go way back in the day,
back, yeah.
Nasdaq's it's trying to break out. I think it's got to go higher here. It just got to. I mean, again, just cannot. Every little move down. If we get through this, you got to just get through 620s, and then it's right up there.
Let's get a little more money on the day. Let's get 500 on the day.
660s or so.
Try to get another $100 before.
Oh fuck! This is always where it all goes downhill from here.
Try to get another $100.
Man, if I just make one more $100, I'd make so much more money today.
Let's scalp. Let's do some. I mean, if it's just gonna chop here, then
nah, it's gonna push.
It's about to rocket ship.
Again, testing that 620 area. Sorry.
What happened to the tunes?
I don't know what happened to him. I just got filled.
Oh, you're in?
I'm out.
Oh, you already took that. Wow.
I'm out. I'm in.
Oh my God.
I'm out. I'm in. Took my 10 points. I'm out.
Jesus Christ.
10 points. I'm out. Sniper. I didn't even got time to tell you. Look, it's still going higher. This guy's drinking over there while we're fucking market's going higher. Now he's going to wait till it goes to 650, then get long.
No, it's
God damn it, Kyle.
Oh, my God. I know.
You didn't get long?
No.
Oh, my God.
Again.
I've been telling everybody forever.
It's breaking out.
It's
breaking. It's breaking out. Now I'm going to chase waterfalls and get the pullback.
Amen, brother.
Wow, it's right up there, too. Yep, it definitely broke
640s pushing. Like I said, 650s, there's some liquidity there. I mean, this thing's clear.
Can we turn this resistance into support and I get a little second
little
try?
pulley?
A little second chance here? Or does it just take off without me? Yeah. Sure. Whatever. I should have stacked them up earlier. Oh my God, it's just going up without me. And
can you take me higher?
Dude, I always see you doing that on YouTube. It's crazy to be here.
Oh, man. Well, breaking to the upside. Up there to the 640s now.
Late again. Let's see.
Well, now let's see if we get a little setup here. We broke through that high from earlier. And then this is kind of like...
I stacked up some micros on a potential pullback to the EMA. Let's see if they can get filled and then break out. We're actually in one. It pulled back a little bit. 7 average price or only price 628.75, and see if I can call the top here.
Wait, you're calling the top or the bottom?
I'm long, so it's definitely going to pull back now.
Here we go.
Whoa, getting filled on a bunch of orders. Oh my God, news coming out. Tariff talks.
11 o'clock.
Stacking it up. We are long.
What's your average now?
Oh God. 615. Long at the tippy top, boys.
Hey, you can leave. You can lead.
Oh my God! Here's the. Oh God! All right. Well,
you can lead a horse to water, but you can't force him to drink. All right.
Wow. There is the pullback that we're looking for. Well, at least I was up. Just clip the part where I was up money. We won't.
Won't tell anybody. It's all good.
Edit everything else out. All right. This is when I start to panic, and now it pulls back, and I should probably just get out of this trade. But we'll see. Yeah, that wick. Now it's going to be a wick test and pull back.
We're all right.
All right.
We're all right. We're all right. We're good. We're going to be back. We're going to, I think, just let it play.
If I get another $100, I'm close.
Obviously, it's not financial advice. You do what you're going to do. But, I mean,
not
hey,
financial advice.
It just bounced off the EMA again. It just bounced off yesterday's close. It's not the end of the world just yet. You should be in the green here.
We're green.
All right. Where do you need? Where's $100? Where do you need to take profit for
100? $100 would be kind of at probably 627.
627. I think we're gonna be all right.
627s would be.
We're gonna be all right.
Good.
We're gonna be all right.
Exit.
We're gonna be all right.
No,
Chet.
it's pulling back. Wick
Oh
test.
God.
No,
oh God. Oh God. Bail.
Oh, bail out.
Just kidding. Just kidding.
Oh no. Probably should have protected that trade a little bit better, but. Oh, not looking good. Testing that wick
It's just that fucking tricky ass spot right there, man. Just like we broke through there, 5-minute chart. It should have gone.
If we lose this, I'm screwed.
Don't say that. I got you.
No, we're good. We're good.
I'll call Apex and make a phone call real quick. Put an extra 400 in his account. Put some money in that guy's account.
I think I got to take some
Give him some free accounts.
If we can get a wick over here.
If we get over 620s, you're good to go. Put it on the board. Mark it.
All right, over 620s, we're good.
You're going to get that 7s.
It is holding up there. It's holding up.
It's holding 600 still.
We're holding. We've been holding for a long time now. I don't like it.
Oh, God. 5-minute chart still holding up here. It's too much. Damn it.
Maybe a little more of a pullback. Oh, it's got to go. It's got to go.
I got to go pee now.
All right, man.
Don't do anything I wouldn't do.
Oh, we're just going to hold this trade. What's up, chat?
Oh, God.
We're going to hold this trade. We're going. We're going. Come on, let's go. We got the classic. PW goes to the bathroom. The market goes to the moon. Oh, we're in. We're in. We're making it. Oh, this is where I should get out. I need to just take the money and run here. Oh, we're holding. We're holding for the BDH. We're going to hold. Okay, we're pushing up, getting stuck at these highs again. What is happening?
We're good. Still in?
We're in it. Yeah, we're in. We're in. We're making money.
We can't lose, chat.
Let's go. If I get over 500, I'm just going to cut it. Oh, no. It keeps giving me a little bit and then gets stuck there. That's why I don't like it getting stuck here. Oh.
Come on, baby.
Come on, get there.
Come on, BDH.
Come on.
Pump it up.
Oh,
We're going to get it right
90,
here. We're going to get it right here. We're going to get it.
Go,
Through the
go.
20s. To right to your targets, baby.
Go. Go. No.
No. Right here. One more time. It's all good. We know it's been moving real slow here, so.
Right there. There it is. Go. Get there.
Get there.
Get there, Nazi. Come on, Nazi. There it is. I should just take the $100 right now and get out, but we're going to hold it because we're at the BDH. Let's go.
Oh, fuck. Not financial advice, chat.
I'm moving my stop up a little
Not
bit to
financial
lock
advice,
in
chat.
profits. We're locking it in. We're
Not
long.
financial advice.
We're going long. We're going to the... Oh, we're stopped out. We still have a couple runners. That's all right. Well, that moves my running price way down to the 601, so I'm happy with that. We'll leave 3 runners on. Still up $134, up over. Should we lock in the 500, chat? Locking it in for the day. Keep going.
Did we do it?
We're
Come on.
We're over 500. I mean,
We'll fucking lock it in, motherfucker.
all right, I'm just moving my stop up. Oh my God, we're over 500, 543. Squeeze to the. Oh no. And we're out. 522. Let's go.
All right. I'm happy.
And we're done.
We're done.
We made 5.
Thank God. Thank God.
Thanks for hanging in there with me. We
Thank
got
God.
it. $500, just like that, and we're done.
The BDH effect. He came with 49 cents. He's leaving with 500.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
The BDH effect,
The
motherfuckers.
BDH. Let's go. Turn 46 cents into $500.
You can't
Come
do
on.
that. Is what is the return on that? What's the fucking return on that?
5,000,000%.
That's a one. He made 1,000,000%. Where the fuck is ICT at?
Yeah.
Where the fuck is ICT at?
Fuck those trading courses. Never paid for a course. Never did anything. Just watch this guy.
Showed up fucking
every
late.
day.
Did everything
I know.
wrong.
I
Did everything fucking wrong.
Oh man. Yeah, I guess that's good. I know it's Chipotle time, and yeah, I'm happy with the 500. It's an honor to be here with all of you, chat. Thanks for bearing with me.
All right, I gotta move the car real quick. I'll leave this for you for the chat. Are you looking at the chat over there?
Oh, I can. I didn't want to.
Look at ICT eating grapes, smiling, watching Kyle. Look, he locked in profit. I told you 27s were gonna get tapped. Where do we go
Locking
to?
it in, yeah, and it pulled
30,
back.
30s.
Holy shit, I am on chat. Or yeah, that's me. Wow. I can see myself on YouTube going live. What's up?
It's not me.
Where's the camera?
Just you.
Yeah, where is it? Yeah, there it is.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
different here.
What's up? Oh, yeah. I see you, Trav. What's up? Nice one, mate. Yeah, what's up, Trav? I see you in the chat. That's my brother. Bring him back. Yeah, I don't know, man. Oh, there he goes. Whoa. That'd be so sick. He's just like, here's the keys. Welcome to the BDH. No. Yeah. Oh, man. That's sick.
Feels so weird. I'm like, I got no cars right now. All my cars are, stuff's getting done. All the work's getting done on the cars. What happened when I was going? Oh, the market's still going up.
We locked it in. Oh, you can see my nervous leg shaking over here. Oh,
Shaking your nervous leg?
Oh, God.
Don't be nervous.
Oh, my God.
Don't worry. Daddy will take care of you.
Oh.
ICT will take care of all of us. He's in the chat.
Dude, $500 in the BDH. This is crazy. This is a dream come true. Just to be sitting here next to you, man. I can't believe it. I can't believe I didn't blow up, of all things.
Don't worry. There's always tomorrow.
Yeah, I know, right?
There's always tomorrow.
How many micros did I trade? I think like 6 or 7, 8 was on the last one. Yeah, I jumped in 8. I just like that big red candle down from the 32s. I was going long at 32, and then I had like a bunch of them just stacked up, and they just went, brrr, filled them all instantly, and then got a nice bounce. Held on. I was a little nervous there, but PW gave me the confidence to hold the trade. And yeah, that's it. I'm happy with that. $500. That is a lot of money. Just like that. Yeah, try to keep it.
Still moving higher.
Still going, yeah. There could be another big move here. Definitely don't want to go short anymore.
No, you over the shorts?
I'm over that.
He's done with the shorts.
It was looking like a juicy short. Like if it started to break, like I could have, I could easily see just a red candle straight back down to that, to the 500s. But no, it's just zombie rally grinding higher. Cool. Yeah, it's just kind of pulling back. I mean, each one of these pullbacks, you just throw one on and have a really big move by the end of this. But like I said, I've been watching PW for years. I usually try to be done with trading by this time because this is when you just get chopped up.
Because you go Chipotle too.
Yeah,
I know there's Chipotle in Boynton.
Oh, yeah.
There's a Chipotle in Boynton.
Right near my house.
Yeah.
No. But yeah, I mean, this is the time of day I usually get chopped up, and it's good to just like lock in the profits, walk away, go to Chipotle, and just like, yeah, do something else with the rest of your day. Like there was a huge move up in the morning. We all saw that. We missed it because I was late. But yeah, that huge move up, perfect bear flag.
We didn't miss it. We watched it.
Yeah, we watched it happen. I mean, like who thought that thing was just gonna just?
Well, we kind of talked about it. I mean, we
5
saw there on the
minutes?
daily candle.
And I was like, just waiting for that PW setup.
You guys saw, everybody
Classic.
saw that daily
Oh my
candle
God.
at open. The daily candle was literally going to open at the fucking day, at the low of the day.
Man.
Like that daily candle was just it was down there at what? The low this morning was 317. So literally the low of the day was where we were opening at on the daily candle. So
Yeah.
it's hard.
It's all right. I mean, yeah.
Hey, you made $500.
Fuck yeah, brother.
This guy was talking about 49 cents earlier. Now he's like, man, I could have made more.
Dude, I can't imagine.
I could have made more,
like,
man.
I don't know this guy. He's a random YouTuber. He's fucking late.
Yeah.
Talking about 46 cents. Like, oh my God, dude. Like, fuck this guy. But no, we made it happen. We did it. Thank you for, thanks for everything, honestly. Like, doing it live every day for free. Like, I wouldn't even be trading. I wouldn't even be here if it wasn't for you. I don't want to get emotional, but
don't get me emotional. I'm
dude,
gonna cry over
it's
here.
all.
Yeah. And, it's funny because a lot of people like yourself will will say nice things about me, and it's very easy to focus on the negativity, right? I'll make a video and there's 100 comments on the video. They're like, Patrick, this is awesome. You're the best, blah, blah, blah. And there's that one comment from that one fucking little 15-year-old kid who's like, you fucking suck. And I'm like, that motherfucker. that little motherfucker.
Yeah.
I'm going to fucking kill that kid. But that's the thing, right? Like, you can't.
You can't let that guy get to you, man. Fuck that guy, dude. Look at what you've created. I mean, like, you didn't have all this stuff a few years ago. Like, this is all new. You weren't born with this shit. Like, this is earned, well earned, hard earned. It's fucking
my hype man now.
No,
He's really trying to butter my biscuit.
Yeah. No, I
trying
mean,
to butter my biscuit, boy.
I bet you a lot of the subscribers, anybody that's been here for a really long time, like, they know. Like, we've all watched you grind it out, dude. We're right there with you. And, like, you're just a lot better at it than most of us. All of us, probably. Definitely all of us.
I appreciate that.
Exponential growth.
I mean, the thing is, like, I was exactly where you are today, right? Like, I've been there.
Yeah.
Right? Like, I've been there. Like, I'm just, like, kind of, not that I'm, like, talking down about you, but, I started out like everybody else. I had to, like, kind of put in the work, to put in the effort. And, I mean, it really wasn't, until the last few years that I really, like, started to figure shit out. You know, honestly.
It was like on a rocket ship, man. You've just gone
but
so far, so fast.
But I also, like you said, like I put in the work and I set myself up to do that, right? Like if I hadn't put in the work in the beginning, if I wouldn't have failed so many times and kept coming back and kept trying to win, then I would have gave up like a lot of people. I think most traders end up quitting before they can actually find success.
Yeah.
So.
Well, I mean, like your work ethic, like the 3 a.m. workouts or getting up at 5 a.m. in Hawaii, dude, like, and getting
I'm going back to Hawaii for a month. I'm going to be trading at 3 a.m. again.
Dude,
honestly, I'm looking forward to it. Like, I think it's going to be great because I get to trade at 3 a.m. and then I get to go fishing the rest of the day. Right now, the Nasdaq is pulling on back here.
Good thing we locked in that profit.
Good
I'm
thing.
like, let's hold it.
Good thing.
Like, dude, lock it in. Fuck that.
Yeah, no, nothing wrong with it.
Yeah,
Lock it in.
like, this move up, just chop it, and then nice little pullback here. Don't want to look at getting short, but that's a nice little liquidity pull. A lot of people getting stopped out right there and probably more stops below, but still a bullish move today. Not looking to get short.
The best is everybody earlier was so fucking bearish.
Yeah.
Like everybody in the chat was like, Patrick,
let's short it.
It's going to go straight down.
Yeah. It's always like that, too.
It's very simple. It's always the obvious move is not the move.
Yeah. It's like,
because if it was that easy, right, if all you had to do was look at the chart and be like, look, everybody, the Nasdaq went down all night, so now it's going to go down all day.
Yeah.
And
then
the same thing is like
immediately.
The same thing with this move up, right? When it crashed down to the VWAP, everyone's thinking like, oh,
it's rolling back over.
Time to get short.
Yeah.
Right? It's almost like what you see is just a way to basically trap you. And that's why the traps work.
You want to complete that pattern. You want to make it like. It's like Jack in the Box. It gets all the way to the end, and it just stops, and you're like, fuck, no, go. And the market just stops and fucking rips the other way. Just does exactly what you don't want it to do every time.
Every time.
Yeah, every time. Unless you're in the green, and then you never have enough on. You're like, fuck, I should have put more on.
Well, there it is. I mean,
I
would
$500.
Say we can sit here and talk all day about trading, but I know Chipotle's open.
$522.40. Fuck yeah, brother.
Fuck, I'm taking this fucking weirdo to Chipotle. Watch out. If I never come back, it was him. He killed me. He gotta kill me. Put the lotion on, Patrick. Put the lotion on.
Yeah, GG's, bros.
Hey, we'll see what happens tomorrow after Trump hopefully breaks down the market and does what he does, and it's been a fun day. Big thank you for everyone tuning in. We'll get it figured out. It's only getting better. The BDH is constantly growing, and we're figuring out the best way to do things. I think, it might be nice to kind of get people in here more often. We'll see if Kyle gets invited back maybe one day. We'll see.
I promise I won't be late, man.
Well, fuck, if you showed up late another time, the gate, everything's locked. The lights are turned off. Don't even knock.
I'll pitch it.
Don't even knock.
Before, man.
Don't even fucking knock on that door. The fucking balls on this guy.
No. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, everybody. It's an honor to be here. Thanks for putting up with me. Man, big thank you to PW.
I'm just happy. To be honest, like I just wanted you to have a green day. Like I was kind of like, I'm like, if I have a red day, like whatever, that's normal for me right now. I'm in that red day streak. But I had a green day. You had a green day, so
yeah, man.
It works. The flags work.
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
a lot
they
of
do.
people will talk shit and be like, you can't make money with the flags.
No, fuck that, dude. There's
I'm
like,
like,
that
it
is the
works.
best fucking setup you could possibly have. That shit pays bills if you just follow it, stick to it, watch it. The PW setup, that's what I call it.
My
I know it's
you know what
like bull flag,
yeah.
call it whatever you want. It's the PW setup.
My
for me.
favorite
Like,
is when
that
people are
shit
like, Patrick, I
pays.
trade your setups, but then I end up losing money because I trade other setups. And I'm like, wait, hold on. So you're telling me that you make money trading the flags, but then you fuck around and then you lose money. So like that's my fault?
Yeah.
Like you literally just admitted that you're not actually trading the plan. You're just like trying to fuck around. And that's another thing too, is like if we're bullish and the market's moving, 1, 2, 3, 4 bull flags in a row,
Yeah.
like at a certain point, you got to think like, hey, bigger picture.
Yeah.
What's that bigger time frame doing? Like, are we going to just continue bull flagging higher all day?
Forever? Yeah.
Like at some point, like that fourth bull
Yeah, that
flag.
third or fourth one will fuck you.
But you can see today, like how that first impulse move happened.
Kept going.
Right? Big move
Yeah.
up. The second one, again, kind of slow, about half of that first move. The third one, kind of like half, and then we started getting to that consolidation level. We arrived at the target, right? The original target this morning was that gap fill, 19,600s. That's exactly where we went to. And people will still be like, Patrick, I just don't know what happened. I got long at 19,600. I'm like, well, I mean, what'd you do this morning when it was at 19,300?
We got to get the gaps love to get filled back on the on the YouTube channel, because that was funny. We got to get a BDH. You have the gaps love to get filled, sure, but yeah, that, I mean,
I don't think I have any this morning. I gotta get some more. It turned a little provocative,
that one, yeah,
a little
that's,
sexual.
I know. And like, I'm trading at my
That's all
house by
ICT
myself.
thinks about is
My
gaps.
neighbors probably think I'm crazy because I'm like, fucking gaps love to get filled. Fill the fucking gap. God damn it. They're like, what the hell is this guy screaming
When
about?
I first moved back from Hawaii, I did get I had an apartment,
Yeah.
and not my gap, ICT, your gap, or anyone's gap. Just
Oh my
kidding.
God.
Michael likes the gaps. I like filling gaps too. It's a good time, especially when the market goes straight up. Nothing like it. But
Boner candles, gaps. It's
I
like-
I had an apartment when I got back from Hawaii for like 2 months, and I got complaints. People are like, I don't know what's going on, but there's like screaming and yelling.
That's the best.
They thought I was filming a porno because I'm like, fucking boners! Boners!
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, I get complaints.
It happens. All right, well, there it is.
That's it.
I'm going to walk out of here with my new friend, another brother from another mother. He was late today, but we'll let him go. At least he was kind of funny, and he made some money. So
Yeah.
we'll let him come back.
Oh, thank you guys. Thank you so much, man. Again, an honor. Thank you so much. Making money in front of PW, the legend. It is like a dream come true. I've done it all. I don't even care about the payout. We made some green, like, forget
Apex, he don't even
Yeah,
care about the
I don't
payout.
even
Don't
mind.
worry
Yeah,
about
don't
it. It's
worry.
all
Like,
good.
It's good. I don't really want money.
Oh, man.
But yeah,
Awesome.
that's it. Good luck, everybody.
All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. You know where we'll be, right here at the BDH Thursday. I will not be live Friday, but I will be live tomorrow morning. I do have a fishing tournament on Friday, but look at this thing, still ripping. It's like,
Yeah.
It's hard.
It's
so hard to walk away because now I'm
Yeah.
looking at it, I'm like, fuck, it wants to make new highs again. Right now, it wants to make a new high. I'm like, fuck.
Yeah, it can do whatever. Just
Yeah.
keep the money in your pocket and
Chipotle
then
going to be good, though.
we'll wait for a new setup. There'll be another one tomorrow.
But it's funny, look at that. This is exactly like, not to like get back into it, but this was just another trap,
Yeah.
right? Just
Yeah.
another trap.
That wick below, yeah.
Everybody got all excited, like, oh, it's time for it to sell down now. Now it's going to dump.
Yep. And
And
now
what
look
did they
at
do?
it, just
They took
more
out all
stops.
these lows of these candles just to rip it right back up there. The
could
bulls are
see,
in control. As long as
Yeah.
we're above that VWAP, as long as we're above the EMA, look, 650
Ripping.
now. Come on.
Ripping.
Come on, chat.
Might have to. Oh God,
No,
there it goes.
turn it off.
No,
Turn it
it's
off.
over,
All right,
it's
we're turning
over.
it off. I got to go.
Log out.
We're getting
Log
out of here.
out.
Peace to the Middle East. Big thank you guys for tuning in, for watching. It's always a good time. You know how we do it. Let's end it on a good note here. It's been a while. Got good energy today, good vibes, good people. And, well, you know how we got to go out. Guns a-blazing. Guns a-blazing here. Here we go. Let's turn it up, chat. See you tomorrow morning. Look at it. Still going. 19,660s.
Crazy.
What a move.
Wow.
It's just beautiful, too. Just absolutely
yeah.
beautiful. Just
Trap and
absolutely
then
going.
ripping. There he goes.
But you know.
Lock in that profit if you're long. Okay.
I'm honest, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest. The largest, the biggest, the largest. 90K on my riches for hard times. These niggas just mad cause they bitchin' my archives. Jordan came back for the 4-5. If you play then you lay right there by your archive. Hold up a 4 in the loco. Tell them run this bitch back like so-so. Got this rap shit here in the chokehold. Did a show out in Austin. Shout out to Bobo. Moved out the trenches, now look how we live. Tell my B in the furnished the crib.
Wow.
I'm with some shoots for the kids. Deposit the checks from my bank full of M's. Paid up my rent, now I'm up for the year. The view look crazy from me. What I pay for some dogs to the bomb me vanilla. Take a piece on my neck, could have bought your career. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up shit since my mama stayed in the quarters. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, but these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. The Cali plug weed in the blunt. Let my little brother roll in the Dutch. My little boy get whatever he want. Madam T don't be asking for much. Pour and lean on the nuggets for once. Spill the rest of that drink in a punch. Left wrist on some my head stunt. Right wrist I just did it because 600 the labor, you know how we coming. Tell them niggas they ain't taking nothing. Standing on business, we shooting the punch. Hating ass nigga, go get you some money. I just got off a tour, finna go on another one. Album done, finna drop me another one. Couple of years, finna run up another one. Super Bowl ring, shit I had to go do. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest.
Hey, 670s now. Fuck my life. Later, chat.